You failed again?
I'm sorry, Dad.
Don't sorry me. What's your problem? I'm asking you, what is your problem? Sorry. Will sorry bring back the money I pay for your school fees? Will sorry bring that back? Do you know how much I pay every time for you? Everything they ask me to do, I do it to make sure you improve in your studies, and yet you keep bringing poor grades. You're telling me you're sorry.
Baby, what is it?
You can't even improve in your academics.
Okay, my love, what is it? I heard your...
Take a look at this result first before you have anything to say. What nonsense! You started to tell me you're sorry. So the people that took first in class, they have 2 heads, or that took second, or third, or fourth, or fifth. You are as poor as taking 15th position.
She's sorry.
If I God get down from my phone and go meet your mother. You're sorry.
It's okay, stop crying, okay?
You're sorry.
It's okay. Honestly, baby, I don't like the way you shouted on our child.
What was that supposed to mean? No, I should clap for her for coming home with low grade. You should be more angrier than I am for helping her with her home fund with nothing to show for it.
Come on, she's only a child.
What do you mean only a child? A 10-year-old girl a child?
Seriously, baby, I don't like it. You were harsh. You were harsh.
Oh, please don't tell me that bullshit. How can you just call her a child? So, the boy or the girl that took first and second, they're not child. They're not children. I spend money all the time. Do you know how much I spend on the school fees? Oh, you know.
Maybe there's something wrong, actually.
That's what you should try and find out.
Hey, come on. I think the solution here is let's change her school. Yes, let's change that school.
Change her school?
Yes.
And that will be the 5th school you've changed in 2 years. Right? You want to change another school. In 2 years, you've changed 5 schools.
Maybe there is something wrong with the teachers, you know? Maybe.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. It's because anytime she comes back, you just hug her. Welcome, my daughter. Well done. For having nothing. 15th position out of 20 in class.
Tell me, Tiffany. That man isn't my dad, is he? But I'm angry at you. You are cheering me up during the whole exam and you told me I was doing great. You lied to me.
Mama. Hey!
Nene, what is the meaning of all this now? I mean that have I told you? If you want firewood, you tell me. I will do it myself, or I'll call one of my boys to cut it down for you. Stop stressing yourself, I don't like it.
I needed firewood. And there was nobody at home, so I said, let me help myself.
You wait,
It will not happen again. I saw Mom. I won't be there. The strongest girl in the woman. Ah! See how you're looking gallant like a soldier.
Stop praising me, stop.
I won't hold it again.
See, you're the only person I have in this earth. I don't want anything to happen to you. Stop doing all this hard work. Please, Mama. Please.
You just remind me of your father. Even though he's not here with us, I still miss him. Unfortunately, the cold hands of death took him away from us.
Stop talking about Papa.
Wherever he is, we'll be very proud of you.
Mama, it's okay. Eh? I'm happy that God made it possible for us to move on. You know, each time you start thinking about my father, you're always getting sick. I don't want anything to happen to you. Eh? It's okay. Just go inside and rest. Mama, I spoke to my stepbrother.
Oh.
And he said I should greet you.
But tell him to call me.
Okay, no problem.
I need to cook now.
Mama, go. I'll do it myself. Go. I'll do it myself.
Okay.
Go now.
Let me cut small.
Mama, go. Just go drop this in inside.
Me? No.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, go.
Passy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, Dispose it. Burn it now.
Come on, Sam.
Are you mad? Are you a child? My friend, now throw this and burn. Now.
Okay.
Sweetie, I know you're angry. I'm sorry for what Dad did to your toy. And I promise to replace it by weekend.
Tiffany was innocent and has done nothing to deserve what my dad did to her.
I know. I am going to miss Tiffany. Everybody's going to miss Tiffany.
I hate Dad.
No. Baby, don't say that. You can't hate your father. Your dad is a good man. It's just that he's angry that your grades in school are not cool.
But I tried.
I know you tried. You tried your very best. Okay? But it's okay. Like I said, I will replace it. Okay? Your dad is going to see things the way I see it. And he will change, okay? Don't be angry. Come here. Don't be sad. Okay? I'll replace it to a good one, I promise.
What's the meaning of that?
I don't understand, sir.
You don't understand. Why is your cleavage open?
Oh, is it? Let me get you that.
Close it.
I'm sorry, the water or the food?
Close. Why are you not supposed to button it? Why did you leave? Why is it not button here to button your to button your shirt?
Oh, the clothes. Yeah, sure. After giving you water, I'll do that.
Then keep this thing here, turn here, and go and button it inside here.
Amara. Mama, are you leaving already?
Yes.
Did you eat the food I kept for you?
I ate it. Well, my boys called me. They said they caught a criminal at Ori Market very early this morning. I'm on my way there now.
Careful, oh. Careful. What do you want your own? Let me quickly go to the farm. Oh?
What is even wrong with this man? When will he take notice of the love I have for him? Why can't he just open his stupid eyes and see that I desperately want him in my life? Why is he so dumb and acting like he's not interested? I hate men that pretend though. You should just notice these things are big. I know they like men with a door. See all these things. As if you no get eyes.
Please! Shut up! Your time don't come, bros. You don't do. You understand? Every day for the thief, for the owner. Just give this for you. It's like tough blood. I'm not to you. You understand?
Calm down, relax.
Strongest. As we are coming out from our night walk, we have to hide. Only for us to be told that we collected the phone from the woman.
Yes, it's true. I saw a phone and a handbag in his hands. And when I checked it, I saw valuables inside the bag. This thief.
Please forgive me. Could you believe that he injured the woman?
Is that true?
Is that true?
Yes.
Yes. Amen, forgive me. Amen. I will not do it again.
I've never know there.
I beg you.
But do you know that woman is lying critical ill in the hospital?
I'm sorry.
Do you know she's lying critical ill in the hospital because of you?
I'm sorry.
Boys! Bring him.
Good morning, sir.
What do you want?
Sir, I want to quickly clean this place. That is if you don't mind.
Oh, please, just go. I'm busy at the moment. Come back later.
Sir, I'll be going to the market shortly, so let me just I won't take so much time. Let me just hurry and close this.
What's this? Is that the only place you know how to clean? Please take your stuffs and leave. I'm busy. Come back later.
I'm almost done.
I said come back later. Go.
Sir, this... Let me just clean the leg like this. It will just don't take...
Come back. Come. Are you okay?
Sorry, sir.
Wetin I say dey happen here na my oga no dey, I no understand wetin dey sup.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up?
I no understand, shey na dis your parent dey give you dis kind mind. Wetin dey bring this one come now? Who be this one?
Wetin dey happen, Lloyd? Don't worry. So, what do I owe this August meeting? And who is this young man here?
I told you that one day I'm going to visit you. But you thought I was joking. Here I am, the almighty union chairman.
And what is all this nonsense all about? In my office. And who is this young man here?
That's why I'm here. For you to tell me who he is.
Oh, boy, I no understand. Wetin be this one? Wetin dey bring this one come now? Plus, who be this girl now? Who be this small girl? I go run.
Hey, you look back. Come on, sit down, man. Sit down, man, idiot. Move it. Criminal. Hey, answer the question. What they look me
Well,
for?
it's fine. I wasn't expecting something lesser than this. I know you're going to deny it. I know you're going to deny this boy you turned into a criminal.
Young man, who are you? Do you know me? Do you know me?
I know you. Who you know now?
I know this man! You're the one that turned me to a thief. I've been working for you. Who introduced me to this life if it's not you? It's you now!
Well,
You have nothing to say. I told you that one day the truth will come out and you'll be out from your shadow. Like they say, every day is for the thief, but one day is for the owner.
you can't do nothing. You cannot do me anything. Because you don't have any concrete proof to back this up.
Maybe that is when I will charge you for turning innocent boys to criminals to terrorize the community. And also charge you to court for raping that innocent girl.
Alright, let's see. Let's see, no problems. I'm here.
Really?
Let's see.
Boys!
Wait, move. Thief. Come on, move.
She must leave this house. That's final.
Why?
You don't ask me why. That's an order. She must leave this house.
No, I don't understand, baby. I don't understand. Doesn't mean I don't have the right to know why you want to sack our maid without any replacement.
Like I said, I don't want to know. And I don't care. She must leave this house. So you better start looking for replacement.
Are you doing this because of the new contract you lost?
I'm off to see a friend.
Abigail. Abigail, what are you doing?
Ma, I overheard it all. I understand. I'll go.
You overheard what? My husband?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Abigail. Please, forget about what you heard. Okay? I want you to stay. Don't go.
Ma'am, please. I don't want to cause any trouble. Let me just go, please.
Can you please stop? I said you're not going anywhere and that's final. Meet me in the kitchen. What's the meaning of that?
Bro, you mean she's still making advances at you?
Yeah, but There's nothing to worry about because you'll definitely leave this month. Definitely. I can't condone such attitude anymore.
My guy, what is wrong with you now, eh? You mean that girl is making advances at you with that her body and everything, you're there? Telling me you don't want.
I don't understand. So you want me to cheat on my wife? Is that what you're insinuating?
Not really, bro, but...
No, because I don't understand telling me her banging body. I should cheat on my wife?
Jake, you're the one that told me your wife is not good at anything. Intelligence, zero. Sex life, zero.
Look. You dare not talk about my wife in that manner. I didn't say it like that.
Okay, I'm sorry if you feel offended, but I'm just stating the facts.
It's not if I feel offended. I'm offended. I'm just telling you as my best friend what's going on with me. You're telling me to cheat on my wife? What kind of advice is that? It's not, I'm offended because you can't be saying that now. Let's be guided now. You're advising me to cheat on my wife.
That is not what I mean, bro. But just you need.
Babe, has it been long you returned?
Not quite long, though I already had my dinner.
Okay.
I was with Sam.
Sam? How is he?
It's okay. It's fine. You replaced Annabelle's toys?
Yes, I did. Are you going to be angry with me on that?
Not really. So actually, I wanted to apologize for the way I spoke to you. I shouldn't have raised my voice. Just that
It's okay. I understand. Okay? You don't need to apologize. It's fine. Can we sleep now? Good night. Mwah.
Wait.
What? Do you want more kissing? And kerosene to get in the mood?
Wait. This is not right. I can't do this, please.
Wait.
No.
Wait, Jake!
I can't.
Well?
The strongest. How far the case of the Union Shema? Any updates?
Yes. You know the DPO was not there when we locked that boy up in the station. So he called me. Yes, he called me. He said the boy will be charged to court. And he also said we are going to be present. Well, I said there is no problem as long as the boy will be able to say the truth so that we can pardon him.
That means you have to go to the police station so that you can give the boy food. Because I doubt whether this policeman will give him anything.
What about the girl that was raped? Isn't she going to be a part of this movement?
Of course she will. She'll come to the court with us so she can press the charge against them.
See, if someone would tell me that the union chairman is involved in this case, I would say that that person is lying.
I know. You know, this is one thing I'll be telling you guys. That there's something fishy about that guy each time I interview him. But both of you will tell me I should let him leave because he looks calm. That guy has a skeleton in his wardrobe. From his eyes, you can tell.
Sometimes I wonder how you do it. I mean, you sound like a real detective. You're just so smart and intelligent.
What?
It's that boy. That boy. I saw him. He was coming out from the market.
Which boy?
The one you guys arrested for raping a girl.
Huh?
Yes. I saw him.
Released?
Yes. I saw him.
You saw him?
Yes, I'm not lying.
He has been released. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, I'm not lying.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hold it, hold it.
What were you doing with my dad in your room?
What did you just say?
I believe you heard me. Or should I go to my mom about it?
Look, Annabelle, I don't know what you're talking about.
Really? Fine.
Oh, wait. Annabelle, I'm not doing anything with your dad, okay? He was just giving me some tasks to carry out.
What task? Look, I don't see anywhere close my dad again, okay?
Sure, I won't.
Promise.
I promise. I need to act fast before this stupid girl exposes me. I know her well. It won't be long enough before she tells her mom, and that'll be the end of the road for me. No, I can't let this happen. I can't.
Yep.
What did you just do?
Maybe you should send the maid away.
I don't understand. Have you joined your father? You know how hasty your father makes decisions.
Maybe he has a strong reason for asking her to leave.
What is going on? Annabelle, all of a sudden you joined your father asking me to send the maid away. Why will I do that? What changed?
Nothing, Mom. I just think my dad may have a strong reason why he wants the maid to leave.
Annabelle, there is no strong reason. Your dad can be harsh at times, and that is one thing I don't like about him. Please don't be like him, okay?
It's okay, Mom. Maybe Dad was wrong. We should let her stay.
Yes, exactly. We're going to let her stay, okay? Be accommodating. Don't be like your daddy, okay? Case closed. Good girl.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What is it?
Madam, no vex so. Madam, you get wetin I wan tell you. It's very important. Oh. Please give me listening ear.
Come like this, so I'll see you clearly.
I should adjust. Okay, let me adjust.
I did not say you should enter my mouth.
I'm sorry, madam. Madam, it's about the maid, Abigail.
Abigail?
Uh-huh.
What about Abigail?
Yummy.
Ma, I can't believe you listened to a lie told by my detractor and you believed him.
Well, I never said I believed him. I did not say that.
Ma, from the way you're sounding, to the look on your face, it shows that you believed him.
Well, I only called you to ask you what I heard. Not like I believed what he said. I trust you. Honestly, I do.
The gatesman has been making passes at me. He wants to lay with me.
What?
Yes, ma. I refused, and he's trying to do this so that you can sack me as a way of my punishment. How does it feel? Hmm? Tell me. How does it feel having your evil arrow rebounded with a punishment? Oh, not to worry. I had everything. 20,000 naira will be deducted from your salary. How much would I leave you with?
You are evil. Yes, you are evil. I swear to God, you will regret this. More regret get your honor, man. You will regret this thing that you just did.
Regret? What is there to regret?
Hi.
What is there to regret in fooling with the plans of my enemies? Now you listen. If you do not stay away from my business, the next will be you losing your job.
See, let me tell you what you don't know. Even the Bible says, the Egyptian we see today, we shall see them no more. Psalm verse 23.
And if you do not stay away from my business, those Egyptians, you will see them every day of your life.
It shall not stand, neither shall it come to pass. Genesis 1 verse 1. Amen. I rebuke in Jesus' name. Amen.
Don't worry, you have nothing to your salary. How does... Hi, honey. You said you're not going out today?
Yeah, I'm not going out. I'm home. Where are you guys going?
Well, I'm going to register her in a new school.
Interesting. You think that will be the solution?
I'm going to try. I mean, I'll keep on trying till I get the best school for my daughter, whose success in life is already assured.
Dad, I'm going to make you proud.
Of course.
I trust you.
I know that didn't come from your heart, but I promise you, my daughter is going to shock you one day. Don't worry.
Babe. My darling. Don't worry. Let me go. You don't need to.
Let me get the water.
Okay. My love. My love, come and sit and watch me, okay? Take it easy, okay?
Yes.
You know I can't get tired of your food. You're the best cook in this world.
Thank you. That's so sweet to hear.
My love, why are you not eating with me?
Baby, have you forgotten?
What?
I told you I'll be fasting today.
Oh, babe, my bad. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I hope you put me in your prayers, baby.
Of course. If I don't, who will?
Babe.
In fact, you are my #1 prayer point.
I know, babe. You're the best, you know. You're the best thing that happened to me. And I blessed the day I met you. You're my jewel and everything. I'm so glad to have you in my life, my love.
Thank you, baby. And I'm super happy to have you. In fact, God gave me a perfect man.
I know, baby.
Thank you.
And I'll continue being the best to you, okay?
Eat your
enjoy my
food
Yeah.
before it will get cold.
Oh, good. So, baby.
Yeah.
Good.
Mom,
Yes,
I'll
dear.
make you proud.
Wow.
And I'll make big money and give to you.
Are you serious?
But I won't give that.
Come on, darling. Why will you say that?
He doesn't like me.
Sweetheart, you don't have to say that. Dad likes you. In fact, your daddy loves you. That's why he keeps paying your school fees and supporting you even when you're not doing well.
But he's not patient with me. You are.
Listen, darling, I know he's not patient with you, but please, can I beg you for something? You have to be the one patient with your dad. You get it? Your dad is trying too. You have to be patient with him, okay? You can't just dislike your dad for no reason. Don't say that again. I don't like it.
Okay, Mom. Mom, can I tell you a secret?
What?
I told you can't take me to jail, but you thought I'm lying.
Is that what you think?
Exactly, is what I know.
I can see. You have all your games and all your plans played out. Do you think you have people who are high and mighty and they're always available to bail you out? I want to tell you something. One day, you will swim in a river and it will drown you. It will drown you to the point that you start seeking for life. Mark my word.
Nobody can take me down. Yes, nobody. Let me tell you. And what do you think? How do you think I survive? The world is full of death games. And only those that choose into it survives. Yes, how do you think I run the pack? How do you think I make my money? I work for some people and I'm loyal to them. Yes, so you can do me anything. Stop chasing antelope you cannot catch. Yeah!
You feel so big of yourself. That's good. Yes, it's good. But let me warn you, whoever your godfather or godmother is, bet me, when you go down, he or she is going down with you.
Okay then, we shall see. I'm here! Hey, I forgot to tell you something. Huh? See, let me tell you something. There is a breakfast waiting for you there. Out there. Intelligent Officer Amara. Oh, come on.
Hi, baby.
Come on, get your hands off me, you fool. If you know what is good for your miserable self, if I go to work and meet you, by the time I come back to this house and meet you here, you will not like yourself. I swear to God, get yourself out of this house.
Calm down, my love.
Come on! Are you mad? You think I'm joking? Do you think I'm joking? I see you came into this family to cause problem. I will not let you. Today is the final day. You're leaving this house. Just kindly instruct my gate man. If you know what is good for you, let me see you here when I return. You know.
What just happened? What? No. Not me thinking I have him at the back of my palm. I've already prepared to be in a competition with Madame by answering second wife. No. This can't happen. I need to do something. What? Oh, ma'am, you're back. Greetings. Where's my husband? Ma'am, he stepped out. To where? I don't know, ma'am. How did the school go?
What are you still doing here? What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you to leave this house before I get back?
I'm sorry that's not going to happen.
Pardon?
I believe you heard me. I said that's not going to happen.
Is that supposed to be a joke?
No. What do you think your wife will ask me when she sees you threw me out? I will tell her that you're throwing me out after sleeping with me.
No, that must be a joke, right? 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 You tell her what?
Who do you think she'll believe?
You're trying to blackmail me?
No, baby, but I'm not going anywhere.
Think twice.
Don't push me. So I finally gotten him at the back of my palm.
Baby, you're back. Where did you go?
I had an emergency at the office, so I'm just coming back.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. I said I had an emergency at the office, so I just got back right now. So
It's okay. Go freshen up and join me.
Okay. Alright.
Go and freshen up.
Yeah, I was going to freshen up. You know I love you, right?
I do. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Let me just use the bathroom then.
Babe. Babe.
Yes, honey.
Yeah, hurry up, we are running late already.
I'm almost done.
Okay. My love. I hope we don't meet the antenatal today.
No, we won't.
Dr. Mark just called me not too long ago.
Oh, I missed his calls also. I'm sure he wanted to ask my whereabouts.
Okay, baby. So how's my baby doing?
She's fine.
She? And who told you it's a girl?
I've already said this countless times. This is a girl.
You're sure, right?
Yes.
I will have a bet on that.
Of course.
You're so beautiful, my love.
Thank you, baby. You too.
Alright, now, take care of yourself.
Okay.
Alright, take it easy, my baby.
Alright.
Okay? Easy.
What are you doing? Oh, good morning, ma'am.
I asked a question. What are you doing?
I'm about trying to prepare breakfast for your husband.
Don't worry, I'll take it from her.
I don't understand, ma'am.
I said go. I will take it from her. Move.
So what are we going to do now?
That idiot. That man is so wicked and mean. The strongest, that man needs to go down. He needs to go down.
See, the strongest. Amara, you are the strongest girl in this community. Even in the whole of this kingdom, you are the strongest. That man needs to go down. Yes. We need to track him. And we need to act fast. Yes.
Where is that voice coming from?
I think it's coming from this direction.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What is going on? Could it be that she's suspecting me now? Oh my God. Could it be this man told her? I doubt. Otherwise, she would have thrown me out of this house. But why would she ask me to leave the kitchen? What is going on? I think it's time to eliminate her.
Is my mom sure she's correct? I felt the one she did yesterday and I've been feeling all the ones she has been doing for me. I'm tired. Hope I won't feel this one once I get to school.
Abigail. Yes, ma'am. I'm going to the market. Please take care of the house. My husband is dressing up to leave now, okay? He has eaten, so don't bother making any food. Once I'm back, I'll make his lunch. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care of the house.
Oh, madam.
What is wrong with you? What took you so long?
Madam, I'm sorry, I've been in the toilet. Hi. Madam, don't worry, it's not smelling. I clean it up. Madam, hold on. Madam, where is your car?
Oh, my car, it broke down. My car is at the mechanic, but I came home to get something.
Don't worry now. Let me go and get it for you.
Don't worry, I can do it myself. What is wrong with you? I can do it.
I'm sorry, madam.
Hope you're good.
I'm good. Madam, are you good?
You're mad.
Okay, madam. I am concerned now and mad. No problem.
What did you do to my husband? What did you do to my husband? What did you do to my husband?
I'm only trying to help.
Help with what exactly? What have you done?
I didn't do anything to your husband, ma. I didn't do anything.
I didn't believe it.
I didn't do anything.
I didn't believe it when my daughter at the gate man told me that you're having an affair with my husband. So you want to ruin my marriage? Baby! Hey! What did you do to my husband? Stop talking! What have you done? Stop talking! Talk!
Ma, you know your husband is hot. Yes, ma, and each time I come in, he's always looking unsatisfied. So I wanted to help, that's all, ma. I had to do something.
You had to do what? Sleep with my... Annabelle, you had to sleep. You had to sleep. Wake my husband up. Undo what you did. Wake my husband up. Wake. No. You didn't do anything, baby. Baby, please wake up.
I didn't do anything. I was just making you stressed.
Come here.
Hey! Jesus.
Christ. This guy just...
Hey!
Guy.
How can somebody hit somebody? Yeah, look at this kind of big stick.
Jesus.
Hey!
Fine,
I'm
boy.
telling you. Hey!
What's going on here?
I'm telling you.
What happened? What's going on?
What happened? I think he stole from someone. We find his lifeless body here. Hey! Hey! Oh my God. He's dead.
He's gone.
They killed him.
Who killed who?
The people you worked for.
My thinking exactly. Maybe we should call the police.
Yes. I guess they will do something to take his lifeless body out of this place.
So terrible.
Abigail! Okay. Don't take the law in your hands.
Don't worry, your husband will be fine, okay?
Are you sure? Are you sure? I brought this home. I caused all this. I'm sorry wherever you are. I'm sorry.
Madam, relax. I spoke to the doctor already and they have started treatment on him. He'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Just relax.
Yes. Your husband loves you, okay? Please.
Secure, open the gate. Move it! Open the gate!
Hi, baby. Baby, I'm so sorry. You have to have this, okay? While I fix your lunch. Don't worry. Make it.
Thanks, Mom, but why are you the one that brought it? I don't saw you ironing clothes when I returned. What's going on? Where's the maid?
Well, the maid is gone.
What do you mean gone?
Sweetheart, I acted on what you told me about her. So Daddy and I sent her away.
Mom, you don't know how happy I am hearing this from you. So she's gone?
Yes, exactly. She's gone. So, have your juice while I fix your lunch.
It's finally gone. Dad,
I love you, okay?
how are you doing now?
Much more better.
Dad, can you help me with my homework?
My love, I'm busy at the moment, okay? Can you go meet your mom?
But I want you to help me out with it.
Where's your mom?
Dad, I'm going to fail if you don't help me out. I failed the one she did for me.
Alright, come. Just open it.
Oh my goodness. You passed it all.
Yes, I did. I'm not surprised.
And why are you not surprised? Because you have been failing everything.
Well, that's because Dad helped me this time around.
That helped you?
Yes.
So are you trying to say that I have been the reason you've been failing?
Isn't that obvious? I failed all the ones you helped me in doing.
Annabelle. That's an unfair thing to say to your mother.
Well, I'm sorry. At least you know why I passed this time around.
Oh no, you see, all I want from you is for you to take care of that part. Money is not the problem, okay? Just hold on. Here is 500,000. Huh? The moment that is done, you get your balance.
Chairman, Chairman, you can count on me. On daily basis, anytime, any day, any hour, even when I'm sleeping, if you call me, yeah, you will get me.
I know. All right, that's fine. I trust you. Okay, so just do take care of yourself while I wait for the result.
All right, I'll take my leave now.
Please do. It's fine.
Amara. Amara, the strongest girl in this our great kingdom. See, I know on this upcoming wrestling competition, you are going to emerge as a winner again. Anyway, I pray I have strength like you, as you have in this kingdom.
God is the greatest. No, thank you so much. Thank you for all the praises. I appreciate it.
No, thank you very much. Thank you.
You are welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you. No.
Yeah. You know, this your gallant security or whatever people are practicing in this kingdom. It's helping also. You know, we can sleep with our two eyes closed. Even our goats, our cow, our yams, they are all intact. No criminals, nothing again have come. See, as I'm talking to you now, I have a meeting in our neighboring village. Hey! Because, hey, Amara.
There is something off about Onowu.
How do you mean?
Are you insinuating?
It's fine, let's go.
Honestly, I feel so useless and worthless to my daughter that in anger I refused my husband's sex last night.
But that is not a serious matter now. To deny the man his right. Nancy.
Why are you saying it's not a serious matter? My own daughter shamed me. My own daughter looked me in the eyes and told me that the assignment her father has been helping him do is better than the one I do for her after school.
She's just a child. She can say whatever she likes.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
She's just a side, but seriously, this one hurts differently. It hurts differently. You don't know what it means.
Then get a home teacher for her. Yeah.
I should get a home teacher?
Yes, get a home teacher for her. So that she'll be doing her homework by herself. Instead of you cracking your brain all the time. A home teacher is the best option here.
Maybe that is what I'll be doing or what I'll do. Because I don't understand. I don't understand how I'm going to be doing all these things. Eh? Do you know I cannot even solve her homework for her? I don't.
I understand, Nancy. Just try and get a home teacher to help out. That's the option here. I mean, you're good to go.
Okay.
Okay? It's fine.
That's a nice idea.
Yeah.
So, you think getting a home teacher will... You think that will help?
Yes, of course. It will help a lot. She should be able to do her homework herself, not always relying on us to help her do it.
Okay, that's not bad. Because I noticed she barely, do her assignment herself, which means that something is wrong somewhere, All right, that's okay. That's fine. If that's what you want, it's granted.
Thank you.
It's fine if that's what you want. So yeah, I want to ask, why did you refuse to make love to me last night? What happened?
You really want to know?
Of course I want to know.
Your mouth was smiling, that's why.
I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry. But really, I'm sorry.
Okay. Yes, your mouth was smiling.
Are you...
Amadi, what's happened?
Mr. Please, can you help me with my homework?
Your homework? Annabelle, I no finish school. Na standard 3 wey me I stubborn.
What's standard 3?
Hey, you don't want your name no. See, Annabelle, go and meet your mother, eh? Your mother will do the homework for you,
But
please.
see, I want to help me out today. I know my mother is there before I came here.
Oh, thank God, your mother is calling you.
I'll be back.
Don't come back here. No, so this girl won't use me shine this afternoon. Me when I don't even remember what happened for school. Make I come up for here. Make I go hide a bit.
So what's your name?
Tina.
So Tina, for how long have you had this teaching experience?
3 years, Mom.
3 years. That's good. So that means you're a pro in it.
Yeah, sure. I'm going to give your child the very best of all, and you'll be noticing changes in her academics soonest.
That's good to hear. Tina, I need that change. And I need it as soon as possible. Because my child has been lacking behind and is giving me serious issues.
Okay, Ma, I got you.
Okay, Tina, how much am I going to be paying you and how many days and hours can you spend with a child in a week? A female teacher? No. But they have male teachers in their school. Why do you want a male teacher? Is it because of Abigail? But she's not a maid. She comes and goes. She's not a... I understand what you're saying, but I know you don't trust the ladies. I know. Okay, fine. That won't be a problem. I'll do as you say. Okay? Yeah, it won't be a problem. So tell me, baby, when are you coming back? Alright, my love. See you soon. Miss ya. Ciao. Bye, darling. Mwah.
Mama, that is it though. Hey! So they killed that young man just to cover their secret. Only secret, somebody's life I just now.
That is it though.
Yes. Life Anna.
Even when I called the DPO to tell him what happened, he acted as if he was surprised. But me, I know he knows what he did. Huh? They tagged that innocent boy as a criminal, and told the police to carry the corpse, saying the corpse is owned by the federal government.
Hey! If they had told that poor boy that he was going to die a few days ago, he wouldn't have believed anybody. Now they have killed, they have taken the corpse to remove all evidence.
You needed to see when the policemen came to carry him. The boy mother and father, they were even dragging the cops with the policemen.
Evil men, they cover their tracks. But God will pay them back.
Amen.
God will pay the evil men back.
Amen.
For all their wickedness. Onyekwa.
Atama, good morning. I was sent by the elders to come tell you they need to speak to you tomorrow afternoon at the market square.
I hope all is well.
I think so, Mama.
Okay. No problem. Chijireje for goodness. Oh well. Mama. So what town square? Village square for you.
Who are you?
I am Mark.
You are Mark? Yes, I am the chief security officer of this place. So what do you want?
Is that the right person? What is this? What are you talking about? What happened to your etiquette?
This is the problem I'm having. Now the problem where they always get with this, good English in a wrong place. Yes, which one be air ticket again? This place there you like airport? They think that they sell air ticket here.
Such an ill-mannered and uncouth fellow you are. Please go in and get me the madam of the house.
And you are?
I already told you who I am. I am not here to joke. Go in and get me the madam of the house.
My friend, will you calm down? Who you they shout for? So wait first. You get mine. Enter my territory, come they shout for me. See, no, see, because you told her, I am shorter than you, I can do what you cannot do. Yes?
Well, I don't blame you. Please, get me the owner of the house.
I
am losing my patience.
My friend, shut up! Yes, shut up! Yes! Shut up, let me go and call my madam. You are talking too much. You dey go person house, you dey talk past the owner of the house. Calm down. I don't blame you too. I don't blame you too because you don't have manner. You don't have manner. Hold on, let me go and call my madam.
Oh. Good day, ma.
Good. You?
My name is Philip. It's nice meeting you.
Oh, you can't be Philip. You're Mark.
Mark? Who is Mark? Like I said, my name is Philip Oswagu.
Well, you look like him.
Like someone you know?
Never mind. Please have a seat.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
A nice place you have.
Thank you. Make yourself comfortable. I mean, what can I offer you?
Mom, I think that can wait. I am from your daughter's school. The head teacher informed me that you are in need of a male teacher for your daughter. That is why I'm here.
Honestly, sweetheart, he looked so much like my ex. I would have sworn that's him. Now I believe we have our lookalikes. But I've not seen mine though. I was really scared when I saw him. Well, he's starting tomorrow. Yes.
So in our today's lesson, we are going to be looking at Oh, wow.
Mr. Philip, have this. Fill off with it.
Wow. That's very nice of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Annabelle, hope you're listening to what he's teaching.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Right on.
All right.
I like my home teacher. He's good.
I'm glad you like him.
So that means we will be expecting good grades this time, huh?
You can count on that. I assure you.
Should better be serious with our studies because we're not paying small money. We're paying a lot for that. All right? Good. So I'll be heading to Ibadan for, something came up in our second branch. So I'm staying for at least 10 days.
10 what? 10 days? Why am I just hearing it?
It just came up. It just called me earlier today for that. Something's spoiled in the branch and I'm just the only one to work on that. So I'll just go and come back before you know it. It wasn't planned. Don't be like that.
Dad, I miss you.
I miss you too. But what you owe your mom and I is good grade. Okay? Take your education seriously. All right? Make daddy proud. Make mommy proud. Okay?
Amara. Amara, we have gathered here to deliberate on one thing concerning this your work. Our Igwe have given us order to tell you to stop you and your group. If not that he travel out of this country, he would have said to you by himself. But he sent me as the owner of this great kingdom to tell you, you and your gang, to stop this your work. All this I'm saying now, the Commissioner of Police is aware of it. So, and I urge you people to stop until when the king returns.
Oh no, I'm sorry, but I don't think you understood what you just said. Please, can you explain further?
Mala, what you know is trying to say is that the people have been bringing complaints here and there concerning this your work. They are fed up with what you are doing. Instead of securing them, you are bullying them, suffering them, doing all kind of evil against them. And therefore, they are no more comfortable with you. They want you to stop.
Wait, oh no, Ndiche. Are you trying to say that the Igwe asked us to resign? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes, of course. The Igwe have given the order that you should stop.
Yes. No, it's not true. It's not true. Look, the Igwe knows how useful we are to this community. He knows the good work we are doing, so he cannot give such order. I don't believe you.
Ebuka, I know you as one of the security officers. Good one at that. But this latest development, the Nigerian police is aware of it and it has been registered with them. The people do not want you anymore. Therefore, you should quit. You see, if you continue with this job, it is now illegal. And the Nigerian police have every right to arrest you, not only arresting you, lock you up. And your case is finished. They can term you as thieves. So, we are okay. Oh no, if you know how to address them for them to understand this, do that. I have delivered the message. I am on the way. I am going. Thank you.
Amara and his group. Wait. I know that you people are doing a great job. We all appreciate all this your good works. Yes. But I wonder how the people of this great kingdom will see all this your beautiful work that people are doing. At least we can go inside and sleep with our 2 eyes closed, and they start kicking against it. Anyway, don't worry. I will talk to our king on your behalf. Maybe when he comes back, he can also tell you people to start your work. But for now, stop. People have given the order.
I know a day like this will come. I knew something was wrong the very day we went to see Onowo and he was smiling and acting uncomfortable. But it's fine. We should stop working. And that is exactly what we are going to do. We have to obey the commandment of the king. I just can't believe that after what we sacrificed for this work, after we dedicated our time, our energy for these communities, this is the way they want to pay us back. But it's fine. Since they want us to stop working, so be it. I'm done.
Strongest. I sense conspiracy. I'm sure that if the Igwe finds out the truth, he will allow us to continue.
I don't care. I don't care if the order is from the Igwe or not. They don't like what we are doing. They are not grateful. It's fine. I'm done with this work, like I said.
You know the union shaman is behind this, right?
Okay, so let's go. All right.
Just imagine the way my oga pikin dey cry because him papa travel. Oh God of mercy, lead my oga to his destination and bring him back safely. Because it is written that our going out and our coming in will always be a blessing to us. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. My oga, as I don't pray for you, buy me something as we dey come back. Oh.
Yes, I hope you wrote it. Annie, I've not been seeing your dad lately. I hope all is well with him.
He traveled.
Oh, I see.
So it's just me and my mom now. But he'll soon be back.
Oh, I see.
Is everything alright, sir?
Oh, yeah. Oh, everything is okay. Let's continue. Okay, you're done. Okay, from here. Let's go. Okay, from here. Okay. You already finished this. Thank you very much, ma, for the food. I really enjoyed myself.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you very much. Annie made me to understand that the dad traveled.
Yes, my husband traveled, but he'll be back sometime this week. Yes.
Oh, don't you need company, a man figure since your husband is not around? I can help.
Okay. That's generous of you and thoughtful of you, actually, because don't worry, I have my security guy. If I need any help, he's there to assist me.
It's okay, but I can always come around, from time to time, maybe to...
Oh, really? You're just coming now? I thought you'd forgotten me. Look at you.
I'm sorry, Nancy. You know the nature of my job.
Okay, I forgive you.
Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you. I almost forgot. I have a meeting by 4. Please help me tell Annie that I'm leaving. I will see her tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
I will.
And thank you very much for the food.
Oh, please. It's
Thank
okay.
you.
You've been
It's
thanking
okay.
me. All right, I'll be expecting you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Girl! This guy look like Mark, your ex. God!
Exactly. Girl, the first day I saw this guy, it was as if I was seeing a ghost. I was so shocked. But honestly, he's a total different person altogether. Omo, God the creator. God the create my sister. Me self, I've never seen my look alike. Oh. Maybe you've seen your own.
I've not seen my own though.
Girl, what's up now? Don't do this to me. You know I'm alone in this house. And you're just coming by this time.
Sorry,
What's
my
wrong with you?
majesty, I'm sorry.
You're sorry. And even you came without nothing.
What's happening now?
Please go back. Go and get me juice. Sweetie! I heard you scream. Baby, what is it? I'm here.
I had a bad dream.
A bad dream?
I saw my home teacher. He's a bad man.
What? It's okay. I'm here. It's okay. Annabelle, what's going on? You're still on this. You'll be late for school. Hurry up, let's go.
I don't want to go to school today.
What do you mean you don't want to go to school? Why?
I'm scared.
You're scared, Annabelle. You are scared. Is it because of the dream you had? Dreams are not reality, my daughter. Okay? They are not real.
Is the home teacher going to come today?
Yes, of course he's going to come today.
I don't want him to come. He's a bad man.
Stop it. Do you hear that? I said, stop it, Annabelle. Stop it. Now eat your food. Let's go. Eat your food. Let me get my car keys.
Yeah, so that is exactly. Wow. Anna, are you following?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
What did I say last?
You were talking about cars.
Cars? Annie, what is taking your attention? What is wrong? What happened? Is everything okay?
Yes.
All right. Now I am going to say it again. But please, give me your attention this time around because I will be asking questions. Am I understood? I was saying there is a difference between internet and Ethernet. Internet is
Uncle, are you a bad man?
What did you just say?
Your home teacher told me you've not been concentrating in his teaching. What is going on?
Mom, I don't like him.
What do you mean you don't like him? Is it about the dream you had?
Mom, he's not a good person. He should stop coming here.
Annabelle, stop it. What's all this? I've told you it's just an ordinary dream. Mr. Philip hasn't done anything for me to distrust him. What is wrong with you? Now you stop it and listen to me. You don't have any reason at all not to concentrate. You know your father is not happy about your grades in school and you're here messing up. You need to make your father proud and me too.
Mom, I'm scared of him.
Okay. You know what is going to happen? When next he comes to teach you, I am going to be there present so that you can calm down.
Mom, it's not about your presence. I just don't like him.
Annabelle, just stop it. What is wrong with you? This is not about you. It's about your grades in school. Okay? You have to concentrate. I don't want to hear any complaint from him again. Do I make myself clear?
So, my child, what's your plans now? What do you intend to do going forward? What are your plans?
I don't know. I'll just stay back and look for something else to do. I purposely went to the DPO's office today.
That reminds me, what did he say?
What does he want to say? Of course, he said what I was expecting him to say. Huh? Mama, you see that man? He planned it. All of them, they planned it. It's a conspiracy, but it's fine.
Can you particularly tell me what the DPO said? Tell me how the visit went.
Mama. He said the order came from above. That the Igwe of the community asked him to fire me. He said the Igwe said he has been hearing news that I'm insulting and causing nuisance in this community.
But that's not true.
I'm surprised. But it's fine. There's no problem.
Why don't you wait for the Igwe to come back? Then you can go explain everything to him. It's better. You two talk one-on-one.
And why will I do a thing like that? Huh? Igwe has known me for years. Huh? Why is it that the only person that trusted me is the one that sacked me? Huh? Mama, I have dedicated my time, my energy, my loyalty in doing this work. What did I get in return? You still want me to go and explain myself to the Igwe? If Igwe does not believe me, that is left for him. I don't care anymore. You see this work? I'm done.
Anyone behind this will suffer.
Amen.
Anyone that did this, so long as the person matches his legs on this earth, on this ground, that person will suffer.
Amen.
God says he will fight our battle and we will hold our peace. He will speak for you.
My good work will not kill me.
At all.
Cannot kill
God
me.
will fight for you. God will fight for us. God will give us victory.
Amen.
Even if you lack maturity and good manner, why can't you adapt one from me? You know, if you knock person get once, you don't dey okay. But your own, you could knock. How?
Am
Why?
I the one you're talking to like that?
Who you think say you be? Who are you?
It's obvious you lack manners. Let this be the last time that I will knock severally before you open the gates. Am I understood?
You're gonna be. Who you think say you be? Who you think say you be? Where you gonna give me that kind of order?
Excuse. What is going on here, Polika? What is going on? Why are you shouting?
Madam, please warn your gate man. He lacks manners. He's been insulting and spewing all manner of profanities at me for no just cause.
Madam Nala, you're
now! Shut up! What is wrong with you? Basi! Now you listen to me. If you try that next time, insulting my guests, I will make sure I deal with you mercilessly. Are you mad? Now you apologize to him.
Madam,
I said apologize to him now. Apologize to him.
I am sorry. Apologize to me too now.
Please, leave him. He's a clown. My dear, I'm so sorry for what happened. Please come inside. My daughter is waiting. I promise this won't happen again, okay?
okay, no apologize to me. Dear Honofi. Dear Honofi. Hi.
I can help you with that if you don't mind.
What are you doing here? Where is my daughter?
She fell asleep while I was rounding off and I got her to bed in her room.
Wait. You know her room?
She told me. All right. Like I said, I can help you with this. At least I still have 10 minutes left before my time here expires.
Thank you so much. But since you said she's already asleep, you can leave now. I'll handle it.
Don't you have any other thing I can help you with?
I appreciate your concern, Mr. Philip, but please, go. Nothing.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
Mr. Philip.
Yes.
Please, next time, do not come to my kitchen.
I'm a married woman and
It's okay. I totally understand. I do. I will see you tomorrow, Mom.
Everybody's looking for opportunity to strive. Opportunity to strive. We live in a world people pretend to be what they're not. But you cannot pretend forever. You cannot have what is not yours. These your ideas will fail you one day. Cause you are in January, imeluzekegi, imejekegi zwike, inugo, imelikegi, imelikegi zwike. Your evil plans will fail you one day. Imalusiana, cause you are in Jabu. Cause you are Kanjabu. Mana cause you in Jabu. Mana cause you Kanjabu. Cause you in Jabu.
Welcome, baby. I missed you.
I missed you more.
Dad, missed you.
I missed you more.
I don't understand.
I hope you didn't stress, Mom. Hmm? Are you sure?
Yes.
I missed you.
So does it mean you didn't miss me that much?
Don't be like that. Of course, you know I missed you. I'm so happy to be back for my wifey.
So happy you're home.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome, darling.
Just that I don't want to cut your joy because in the next few days I should be traveling to Bauchi.
Again?
Yes. Oh, but come on. This time I'm not staying long. Just for 3 days. I'll be back before you know it. Don't be like that now.
I don't like this, honestly. I don't like it. Oh, just know that I'm not happy at all.
Yeah, hello? You must be Mr. Philip. Is that correct? Okay, that's fine. So, my wife told me how you're doing a tremendous job, my daughter, making sure she improves. And of course, we've seen a lot of improvement so far. Yeah, it's a job, I know. You see, I used to be a teacher back then in Abuja when I was 7. And I can tell you it's not an easy job, especially teachers being underpaid. So I know what it means to, be a teacher, especially to students. So yeah, I commend you for that. You're welcome. So how long have you been in the profession? Really? Soldier turned teacher, eh? That must be a very hard switch to do, Okay, all right. We'll see when I'm back. We'll be able to sit down and at least talk, eh? All right, bye.
I love you so much, my darling. Please do take care of yourself for me, okay? And don't stress yourself, okay?
Okay, baby.
I'll be off to work now.
Okay, my love.
And also, little boy, make sure you take care of your mom for me, okay?
Hey, it's a she.
Hi.
I've already said this, right? It's a she will take care of me. Don't worry.
Remember, we'll place the bet, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be a boy.
A girl.
Okay. let's see how it goes. My love. And also, I would go see Jack after work. We have some few things we want to discuss. So I'll be coming in a little bit late.
Okay, no problem. Please say me well to him and his wife.
Okay, baby. Remember, don't stress yourself, okay?
I won't.
You promise me?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, baby. See you soon, okay? I'll miss you.
Sis, I'll miss you too.
Alright, baby. Take care of yourself.
Bye, honey.
Amara, long time. The strongest girl in the community. What happened? We have not been seeing you and your boys in this community. What happened?
Well, the king asked that we resign from the work.
Why?
I don't know. He told Onowu he sent his order to Onowu to tell us.
What kind of thing is this? I'm sure it's all those bad people that is committing all these evil things in this community.
I know. But we've left the village for them. Let them eat it. But it's fine. We tried our best, but it was obvious it wasn't enough. We just leave everything in the hands of God.
So, my regards to your boy and your mom.
Alright, it's fine. Let me go. My mom sent it.
Alright, sir. We'll see later.
He was a soldier? Honestly, I was surprised hearing it from my husband. Mark was a soldier and they both look alike. What if he's Mark? What if my daughter was right about him being a bad guy? You and I know what I went through in his hands.
Nancy, I don't believe that. People have their look alike, you know. So don't cause a panic yet. He said he's not Mark. So you can agree with me, he hasn't done anything suspicious around you. So you're mistaking him for someone else, I guess.
Maybe you're right, you know. Maybe I was startled hearing that he was a soldier.
Yeah.
All right, baby girl. Let's cheers. My husband said you were a soldier.
Yes, I was.
That's good to know. You really look like someone I used to know. I mean, my ex.
You know, people and this striking resemblance. So what happened?
Nothing. He's a monster.
You met him a monster?
Oh, no. He was so sweet. Things were moving on fine. In fact, we were planning our wedding. All of a sudden, he changed. He changed into something I can't explain. Little did I know that he derives pleasure in hurting me.
I'm so unhappy to hear this. Sorry, but how was he hurting you?
I don't want to talk about it.
It's okay. But I must ask this. Do you think you turned him into a monster or you met him a monster? You know, people don't just turn into monsters like that. Something must have triggered it.
Oh. No. Mama. Huh? You're back.
Yes, sir. I'm back.
Hope you got everything I asked you to buy.
I did. Got everything.
That's very nice. Please go inside and start making fire. I'm very hungry. So that we can quickly cook and eat. Before I forget, your brother called. He sent his regards.
Don't mind that, bro. I called him trash yesterday. He did not pick my call.
Are you angry he called me?
Don't mind him. I'll call him back again.
Chai. My prayer for you is that you get a good suitor. Because you deserve the best. You're such a good child.
Babe, what is wrong with you? What is going on? Why the move?
It was just this project I'm doing right now is really taking a toll on me. I'm at a point now, like the finishing point, but it's just not adding up. Like I need all the help and research that I can get to finish it off. That's just my problem.
Oh, sorry. I understand, babe. I'm off to the salon. I want to make my hair.
Wait a sec. I mean, you asked me the problem. I just explained. You said nothing. You just want to leave the salon like that? No suggestion, nothing. Just nothing.
I don't understand what you're saying. That I should suggest. Have you forgotten what you used to tell me, that I am not wise enough to give suggestions in your line of business?
Come on, I didn't say it like that. I didn't really say it like that. At least you support me by, okay, baby, do it this way. Oh, baby, don't you think all that? We're partners. Come on. I mean,
yes, we are partners, but not in your line of business. In quotes, I heard you.
it's okay. Just go to the salon.
Fine, babe, I'm so sorry if I can't do anything about it, okay? But you're the man. You need to take care of your responsibilities.
Go to the salon. You want to go now?
All right, I'm off, darling. Mwah, bye.
You
Mwah. Take care of you.
Just obvious I'm in this alone.
Jesus Christ. So now for my territory, this person just enter, you don't fear me. Hi, I am a gallant soldier. Come back again, I'll deal with you. Idiot, Mugu. What a life-threatening.
Honestly, I'm scared. I'm really scared. You have to do something.
You don't have to be scared. At least whoever that is now knows we have an active security. And I'm sure he wouldn't want to try that next time. Basi, well done, okay? Well done. But then you need to tighten up the security, okay? You need to tighten it up. All right?
Thank you so much for the compliment. This one way they compliment me like this, they sweet me. Okay? You see that person? He no go come this place again. The person already your own no me. In things are they like all these securities where they sleep for duty. You don't go me on. I'm very active always.
Well, it's a good thing to know. Like I said, well done, okay? But then I need you to, make it stronger. Because who knows? Since he didn't succeed, he might want to try that next time. I don't know, but who knows the plan? But what I'm trying to say is that make sure that you tighten the four corners of the house.
Okay, I beg you, say one person cannot tie something to be very strong. Please permit me to employ another person to be assistant security to me, so that when one man is weak, another one will be strong.
All right, that's reasonable. That's fine. Just go ahead and what do you think, babe?
Babe, anything at all. If you want 10, if you want 5, anything at all, just do it. I just want my family to be safe. Anything you can do. Because right now, I am scared. Really scared.
Go ahead and do the plan, okay?
Thank you, okay. Thank you, madam. You don't have to worry. People are covered. People are covered. Thank you, okay.
I can see from your shoe, I know.
It's my inheritance, okay.
It's okay, you got it.
Okay, thank you.
I am.
Annie, Remember everything I told you? You know, the city is different from the village. Things are done differently over there.
Mama, are you now telling me about the city? Mama, I am a graduate, don't forget, and I schooled in the city. So I know everything about the city. It's okay.
God will be with you. God will favor you.
Amen.
I'm going to miss you.
Mama, it's okay. Let me go. You know I'm already late. I just pray I'll be able to see a bus.
Why not? You're leaving early. You'll find a bus.
Okay. Take care of yourself, yeah?
And you too.
She not the shake at all. Strong and mighty.
Wow! Hi, Nikki! Look who we have here! Alexander the Great, my darling! I missed you. I missed you too. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good.
And how is your husband, my friend?
He's fine, I'm fine. He always sends his grad when he comes from the States.
That's so good of him.
Okay.
You're not looking bad anyways.
At all, looking good. Thank you.
Okay, babe, I'll just allow you guys to have your girls' discussion. I'll be inside waiting for you, okay?
Okay, baby.
All right, take it easy.
All right. Yes, my love. Oh my
Hey.
God, look at you. You're all heavy. Oh my God. So you ready to become Mama Boy, eh? Welcome to the club, baby girl.
How have you been, my dear friend?
I'm okay, I'm fine.
And Nancy, our friend, have you been hearing from her?
Nancy is good. She's fine. I do visit her home.
You see me now. Since I became heavy, I hardly go out.
I can see.
Please, whenever you go, say my greetings to her.
It's all right. I will definitely. Husband is waiting for you. I can see you. You two love birds, huh? Or like us, our husbands are in the States.
It's okay.
All right, don't worry. One of these days, I'll come visit you.
Really?
Yes, I
Hey,
will.
that would be so thoughtful of you. I'll be expecting you.
It's all right.
Promise.
All right. I promise.
Okay.
You look good, baby girl.
Thank you. Please take good care of yourself,
I
okay?
will. You too. You look good. Thank you. All right, take care. Okay, bye. Wow.
Nah, where I just call you for phone, you don't come. You didn't even waste time.
Yeah, so you don't see am now. At least you get luck, say you get work. Me, I don't get any work. I just dey waka up and down.
I am very sorry. Now him make I say make you come in. Yes, now him I say make you come this side.
Hey, when I come, I see person for gate. Oh. Huh? Yes, he was peeping. This gate?
Amara, I don't see anybody now.
Eh?
I don't see anybody.
That means he has gone now. Because lately he saw me, he ran away.
But if I don't they shout my name now, make I come catch him.
No verse. He no enter my mind.
Sorry. You know, sir, I no been get time really explain the kind of work very well for you. I make I explain am now. We get security situation for this compound. You understand? So my oga said I should employ another security as my assistant. I now check, instead of me to bring outsider, let me call you my sister to come and join me in this work. That's why I call you to come.
Thank you, my brother. I will not disappoint you.
I know say you no go disappoint me. Now you make I call you now. We no get disappointment for our blood. You're
So,
welcome.
I go sleep for you. I will make I go meet madam.
I know say me, I no fit decide. So we go meet them. Them go tell you where you go stay. Okay, make I.
No, leave the bag. Let's go.
I need to get something straight. Yeah? Bassy.
Okay.
I sent you, right? Or rather, I instructed you to get a gate man for me. You brought your wife.
No. Okay, you don't want me. She no be my wife. She be my blood sister. One father, but different mothers.
Okay. So I told you to get a gate man for me. You went to bring your sister from same father but different mothers.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Are you senseless?
No.
So what is your sister from a different father or mother, whatever? What is she meant to be doing here?
Okay. I know say you might see her as a woman.
Okay.
But my sister and a woman man. She is part of our village vigilante. Sir, let me tell you, okay. The day she visited my mother's land, Akwa Ibom State, if you say she understands Akwa Ibom language, therefore don't make her youth leader. Do you
know what shut up means?
I know you are confused with what he's saying. Let me explain it to you. What he's trying to tell you that I'm a very strong man-woman. Man-woman, that is what I am. In my village, I'm a vigilante.
Yes.
If you go to my village, ask of me, they will tell you. I used to catch thief. I used to do jungle justice. In fact, the last one I did, I fought 4 men that wanted to rape me. I fought them with gun and cut. In fact, there is no weapon I cannot handle. I handle all manner of...
Which hand did you do that with?
This hand, okay.
This one I'm seeing.
Yes, okay.
Like, both of you are comedians, right? You brought your fellow comedian to come make, okay, we are laughing. Can't you see that we are laughing? But are funny.
No, I'm not joking.
Shut up. Listen. I'm going to pardon your sister. I'm going to allow her stay.
Oh, thank you.
Shut up. Stay for tonight. Okay? Because definitely she's going to leave. I don't want to send her out now, right? I instructed you to get me a male gate man. It's called a gate man. I didn't say gate woman or gate girl or gate same father, same different mother.
Sir.
Is that well understood?
Sir, yes,
okay.
Now leave.
Sir, forget what you are saying. Look at the spiritual part of me. I'm a man inside.
Spiritually. Very strong and mighty, okay?
Take your sister out of here. Now.
Let's go for now. Just don't worry. Thank you, okay? Thank you, madam.
Just when I thought I've gotten the job.
Why they talk like this now, my sister? He will not sack you, don't worry. I will make sure that he will not sack you because me like this, I cannot cover masquerade and you run and enter bush.
How?
How be say, I will delay getting another security while you remain here and earn. Before you know, everything is settled.
How long are you going to keep on doing that?
My sister, it no matter how long. Do you understand? What matters is that you have a place to keep your head. Yes, and they will be feeding you. Just do your job so that you give the man the reason to keep you here. See, another thing, believe. Because even the Bible says, if you believe, you will receive. Psalm 23.
Are you sure about this?
I can't lie to you, my sister. You are my sister and I love you so much.
Hello, Nne. Yes. How was your trip? I hope you arrived safely. I was thinking you were going to call me yesterday when you left. Oh, you were busy. It's expected. How is your stepbrother? Hope there's no problem. Okay, how is the new job? You'll call me to tell me everything about it. Well, no problem. I'll be expecting your call. Oh? I think Cambodia here. Oh? I don't have anything in the house. Stay safe. Oh, mom. Oh? Oh. Oh. Go bye-bye.
Hey.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Where is the gate man?
He's trimming the garden.
I see. You're trying to get yourself useful, eh? That's nice. But next time you ask, okay? You ask of the car I'm going to use, because sometimes you might be washing the wrong car. All right?
Okay, sir. I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. All right? All right. So I guess you're done, or just the front?
The front, let me just clean.
Oh, okay. Just be fast. Okay.
Jake, they're still having technical issues at Ibadan.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I guess the transmitter needs a replacement. That's the issue we are facing right now.
Yeah. I mean, that's what we have to do. Because I tried to revive it the other time, and all to no avail. So the best thing is just to change it totally.
Yeah, exactly. That's
Just that there's a security breach in my house right now, so...
Your house?
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, my kidman said someone scaled through the fence 3 nights ago. He was trying to, get the person and he jumped off. I don't know. That sounds really scary.
Wow, this is really serious.
Though he has gotten an assistant, but I'm still not cool, leaving my family behind right now. So let me know what's going on first before I can leave them to travel.
I understand you vividly, Jake. But you know Abuja and Ibadan needs you now more than ever.
Family first. But it's fine. I'll just look around it and know what to do.
Yeah, I just hope everything works out well.
That's what I pray for. That's what I pray for. I don't understand.
So, but what really happened last night? Because that's scary. Like,
Babe, what are you talking about? How can you be talking of traveling when you know the security situation of this house? Babe, I don't understand. I understand if you don't go there, you're going to lose it all. Yes, I understand it. But as well, you can send somebody to do that for you. Must you be the one to go there? It's no longer the repairing of the transmitter, but the total replacement. And you have to be in Ibadan urgently? Honestly, I'm not comfortable with this. I am not. And I'm scared. Amen. Amen. Okay. Bye.
Who is that? Who are you?
Beautiful. You look beautiful. You can ask the gate man.
Ma, you go wait, make I ask him. Eh? Oh, okay, wait now. Make I ask the gate man.
Brother Basi! Come. Who is he?
Like I said, he has the answer to your questions.
Do you know that man?
I know him now. Yes, he's a lesson teacher. Very mannerless.
Wait. This not the same man where I see where they peep our fence that day where I come.
Amara, it cannot be this man. This man no fit come peep for our fence now. No, maybe another person where you see.
No, it's this man. I can't remember. Is he? He's the one.
Amara, let me tell you something. You see this mannerless idiot? This uncircumcised fool. He has the right to come into this compound anytime, any day. But just that, I hate him.
Are you sure he's not the one?
No, he's not the one. Amara is not the one, don't worry. He's just mannerless, that's all. If I have the power to stop this man from coming to this house, I will do that. But I'm waiting for the men there. Hope you are fine. My sister. I'm coming, eh?
My friend Gumai, do you know that some group of criminals invaded our community today?
What?
I wish your daughter Amara was around. This wouldn't have happened.
Please don't bring my daughter into it. Hey, I'm even happy she is not around.
They betrayed her, she left for good.
Will she kill herself for this community?
My sister.
It's good. Let the hoodlums continue to invade this community and let them continue to deal with it.
Hey.
Let her not be here.
I wish you, in short, had you been, you went out and see what really happened?
I don't need to see. You see this community? Anything their safety, I don't want to care again.
Hey.
I am done with it.
No, we are in so much trouble.
Let them deal with it.
We are in so much trouble. Who knows what would happen tomorrow?
I don't care.
Hi. It's okay.
Hi. 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 Good evening. Novice, my brother said you are a teacher.
And who could be your brother?
The gate man is my brother. He said you're a teacher.
It's so surprising that dumb fool has a beautiful and intelligent sister like you.
No. Please, I not stop you. Make start to insult my brother. Don't insult him, please.
But that's what it is.
See, the issue here is that I am a diploma holder in English language, and I'm looking for a job. All the places I have gone to for interview, it does not used to work out. They don't used to be luck in my side. They don't used to call me.
That is because you lack the intelligence. But never mind, I will help you.
Oh, thank you.
It's
Thank
okay.
you. Let me open the gate.
Please do.
Why are you looking at me like that now?
Amara, I think say me, I don't tell you say I don't like this man. I don't tell you say my spirit and my soul hate this man with passion, and you are still gisting with him. Why?
It's not like I just stopped him and I started gisting with him. I stopped him because I need a job. And you said he's a teacher, so I'm sure he has a way to connect me to getting a proper job.
Yes, I disconnect you from that evil man. Yes, my spirit is telling me the man is evil. Yes, the man not get any way to help you. If you need help, you are my sister. I'll write there in a paper. My sister need a job. I'll go and post it in the junction. Everybody will see and call my number. Don't worry. Forget about this man.
It's okay. It's fine. Let me small thing with the verse.
I know we say the verse. Now yourself are the try protect. I bind this man from coming close to my sister again. Father, you said whatever I bind on earth shall be bound in heaven. Genesis chapter 1 verse 13. Let the church say, Amen.
Ma, he called me.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma, very well. I can cook very, very well.
Okay, you'll be cooking for your brother and for yourself. I can't possibly cook for both of you. Okay?
There's no problem if that's what you want. It's fine.
Okay, I'm going to give you some money so you can buy food stuff. Anything you choose to cook, you cook. Okay?
Yes, ma. If it pleases you.
You sound educated, are you?
Yes, I am an English student.
English student. Okay, that will be all for now. You can go.
If you don't need any other thing.
Thank you.
Ma, do you need any other thing?
No.
I think I might be of help in getting you a teaching job in the school I work.
All right. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Yes, but I will be needing your credentials in order to do this.
There's no problem. Let me quickly get it.
No, excuse me. You know, you need something from me, which I will do. And in return, I think I will be needing something.
But sir, this one you are saying you'll be needing something. I hope it's not money because me, I don't have money to give you.
I will not be needing your money.
So what will you be needing?
Stop! Can you see that? Like for real?
Sweetie, what is wrong with you?
Nothing.
You know that's not true. You can't tell me that. What is wrong with you?
Promise you won't be mad at me.
Okay, I promise. What is it?
I failed my class test today.
What? You failed what? No, I don't understand. What do you mean? What happened to Mr. Philip? Mr. Philip has been preparing you for that particular test and you're telling me that you failed it. How?
Mom, I don't know what happened. I did how he taught me and I failed. He deceived me and I don't want to see him here again.
What?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm en route to Ibadan. What happened? What? I thought they said I should come over immediately. What's going on? Wow. I'm out of Delta. I'm just close to Abo right now. Huh? You know what? Let me just make a quick stop at the Bini branch, okay? Let me see what's going on there, fix some things. I'll be returning to Asaba, yeah? It's okay. I'll see you in the evening. This is gonna be very stressful, but it's fine. I'll just. All right. I'm sure my wife will be surprised seeing me back. Wow. All right. Let me just hasten up.
Hey, Mr. Man. Hey! Stand this place. Nobody is pursuing. What is wrong with you? Why are you sleeping? Is it that you don't have anything to do?
Madam, I'm very, very sorry. I was dreaming too much last night, so I did not sleep at night.
Oh, please, please, please. Where is your sister?
My sister. Madam, she's cooking.
She's cooking. So, where is Mr. Philip? Where is Mr. Philip?
Madam, who can be Mr. Philip again?
My friend, don't play dumb with me. The home teacher, I'm talking about him. Where is he? Have you seen him today?
Madam, his name is not Mr. Philip. His name is Mr. Mark.
What?
Yes, now the name when tell me the first day when come this house. That day where I tell you say person they find you forget.
Now you listen to me. Any day I will see that man in this house, I will make sure this your ear. I will cut it off that day and give it to you to chew. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, madam. Madam, you will never see him. Oh, madam, God has answered my prayer. No wonder the Bible talks say that the expectation of the righteous shall never be cut off. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1.
Genesis what?
Chapter 1 verse 1.
That the expectation
of the righteous shall never be cut off.
Why am I even here talking to someone that don't have brain? Like, I'm talking to someone that don't have sense.
Madam, even if I don't have sense, but you see that man? I don't like him. God, thank you. God has used my madam to satisfy my desire. I will never see him again.
Hello? Nkechi, my fear has been confirmed though. That man that has been teaching my daughter is Mark. What? How did you know this? The gate man confirmed it oh. I don't know the evil plans he has this time coming back to my life.
Oh my gosh. What about your husband?
My husband traveled. He's not around.
Please do not allow him into the compound again.
I have already instructed the gate man not to allow him in my compound again.
Okay, I'm going to my night duty right now. I will see you first thing tomorrow morning, okay? Please, just calm down.
Please, I'm waiting. You have to come to my house. Please, I am waiting for you.
Nancy, just calm down. Everything will be alright, okay? I'll see you when I get back.
Just hope so. I'm calm, but don't forget. You say you're coming first thing tomorrow morning. I'm waiting for you. First thing in the morning, just come to my house. I need to talk to you. Alright, bye.
Hey!
I dey go date.
Which kind date? With who?
Which kind question be this one, brother? Eh? Person no fit go date again. I dey go with man. Now woman I wan go date with before.
Why you dey do like this now, eh? This work wey you just get yesterday. Now you wan lose am. No do something where I go regret calling you to come and work here.
Which work wey you dey talk about, eh? See, brother, I will not spend all my life being a security person. I have to look for other work now. Even you sef hear am when Oga talk say this work wey I dey do no dey permanent. If you sack me anytime soon. So instead of staying here doing nothing, make I go find work outside.
Yes, you dey talk. Calm down now. Eh? A bread and hand is better than none. Besides, na for night party you wan go see better work.
Hey, night party ke? When I tell you say I dey go night party, I said I'm going on a date. See if madam come back or she asks of me, find one small lie give am. Yeah?
Hi. Jesus Christ. Hold on. You know say don knack 10. Hope you no go sleep outside.
I no go sleep. I go sleep outside. I go see you tomorrow morning.
Hey, so you no get respect again? You don't know say na only Ashawo dey sleep for outside.
Yes, now you when they come out by 10 p.m. You go come back that same day. You won't make thief catch me for road. I go sleep out. I go come back as early as 9 a.m. the morning. I go come back.
Jesus Christ.
Surely, God's goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our life, and we shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. So, my darling, you have to go and sleep, okay? Tomorrow is school. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to go to school with you and find out why you failed your test.
Mom, what I wrote was completely different from what my classmates wrote. And they all passed, except me.
Okay, that's not a problem. That's why I said I am going to come to your school tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
So go and sleep now.
Good night.
Good night, my darling. Mwah. Mwah. I love you.
Not comfortable with this girl.
Don't come spoil my day. Go now. Wish me good luck. Wish me good luck now.
Good luck.
I will see you tomorrow morning, yeah? Hey! I've been expecting. Hey! Look at me.
Hi, Sunshine.
You!
Remember me?
I never believed it when the gate man told me about you. You fooled me. You fooled my friend as well.
Nancy, I never knew you were this down. Is it marriage? What turned you like this? You know, back in the days, you used to be a very smart girl. What happened?
What do you want from me?
Oh, Nancy, you know what I want. And I will get it. Because I've missed it.
You will get nothing from me.
Come on, I will get it. What will stop me now? Ah! 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 Ah!
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Baby.
Hello? I can hear you. You said someone is in the house? Who? Okay, just hang on. I'm coming. I'm coming to the house now. I'm coming.
Make a noise and I will throw her. Down!
Please. What's my daughter, please?
Leave her! You. So this is you. You made me look for you all over Lokoja. I cried like a baby. You. Today is the judgment day.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Why did you leave me?
Please, I'm sorry. Just let my daughter go.
Why did you leave me?
Let my daughter go. She's innocent, please.
Why did you leave me?
I left you because you're a monster. You always hit me. You always rape me. The last time you hit me, you left me to die. That was the day I swore to leave you, to leave the city.
That was why you left a man that loves you with everything he has. You made me cry like a baby. Only to find out that you're now married with a child. How do you want me to feel? You think I can? Listen, do you know what will happen now? I will sleep with you and this daughter of yours. That is what is going to.
You want to just do with me, but please let my...
Pull it. Now!
Where is he? In there inside. Officer. In there with Kono. Are you okay? Sorry.
Hello, team. Oh, you guys are on your way? Yeah, I'm right here at the location. Okay, over.
Let's go. Yeah, I will not follow them inside. No. I will stay here and wait. I won't even allow you to go inside. Sorry, eh? Sorry. Go da bego. Sit down. Go da bego. Go da bego.
Please.
Hey, please. Put your gun down. Hey, if you try anything stupid, I'll blow off your head. Put it down. Put your gun down. If you try anything stupid, I'll blow off your head. Move it. On your knees. Move it. Down. Go down. I said down. I'll blow off your head. Down.
Mercy. Okay. Did I meet you? You almost succeed. Thank God the police is here. Annabelle. Did you hurt you?
I am here.
Annabelle.
Yeah. Keep coming. Okay. Come inside.
Thank God the police is here.
Don't try anything stupid.
I'm sorry. It's okay. Mercy. Are you okay?
No, team.
Oh, I said
Yeah. I have it. You guys should keep coming.
Annabelle, are you okay?
I said you guys should keep coming in.
Thank God the police
Don't try
is here.
anything stupid.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Sorry.
She okay?
Yeah, she's
Amara, what's happened?
Brother, I just want to leave before he comes back.
Ma Oga, why? What's happened?
And you know see what's happen, eh? I opened the gate for that monster. Eh? What if he had raped that innocent woman and a child? I'm just so stupid to have allowed him deceive me.
No, now. God forbid, my sister is not stupid. My sister is not stupid. It's not your fault. See, waiting they be say you were just doing apprentice work. Yes. Yes. Apprentice fit make mistake anytime. So let's just call it a mistake.
Even though, all this wouldn't have happened if I had not gone on a date with that monster. I don't even know that he was a rapist. Now see, please let me just go. I don't want to be a rapist. Let me just go, please.
Calm down, see. Amara, you are my sister. And I love you so much. I understand how you feel, eh? But Oga no go know say, now you open the gate. Yes. Besides, that man been coming here with gun. Anything will happen. Eh? You know if you go back.
Let me go, please.
No, see. I will never allow you to go back to the street and start looking for work again.
Oh.
No, now. No, you are not going. Please. Please don't go now.
But just...
See, if you love me as your brother, please listen to me. Please. If you go back, you break my heart. Thank you.
So how the hell did he get entrance?
Okay, he jumped through the fence.
I opened the gates for him.
Hey, Amara, waiting you they talk.
I'm saying the truth.
Okay, now lie she they lie.
Sam, I'm saying the truth. It was him. I opened the gate for him. What?
Shut up and let her speak.
Sir, he deceived me.
Wait. You opened the gate for a total stranger.
Yes, sir. But sir, that was because he said he was going to get me a job if only I would go on a date with him.
Yummy. Okay, my sister is just hallucinating. You won't put yourself for trouble. Okay, my sister is lying.
I'm not lying, sir. So that's the truth.
She's just trying to...
Shut up.
So the truth is that you opened the gate for a total stranger because he promised to get you a job.
Yes, sir.
Do you know him before?
No, sir.
You don't know him. Because he promised to get you a job. What kind of job?
Teaching job, school. Teaching job.
She's leaving this house right now. In fact, she should be arrested and made to suffer for believing the words of a rapist.
She doesn't know him, remember?
She doesn't know him. What are you saying? We should pardon her for all she has done?
She was truthful. That's enough. Being truthful is everything. But the fact that her brother was giving her signs not to even say what happened, but she insisted, that's enough. That's enough. Let's forgive her.
Let's forgive her. Can you hear yourself? Let's forgive her. You know what? That girl is leaving my house today. In fact, she is leaving immediately.
Babe, can you calm down, please?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was just in need of a job ever since Oga said I won't be working here for so long. So I met him and he promised to take me to this teaching job, this teaching work he does, yes. I believed him. I didn't know he was a thief. Oh, yes. I didn't know he was a thief. I'm so sorry.
There is no justification for what you did. I mean, you risk the life of my daughter and I. What are you going to say to me now that I am going to believe you?
Ma, I know I'm stupid. I know I'm a very foolish person, but please forgive me. I don't mind leaving this house if that's the only way you can forgive me.
Better.
Madam, please forgive her, please.
Mom, please forgive her. She's not a bad person. I forgive you.
Oh, thank you so much.
God bless you.
Listen to me. The reason I'm going to forgive you is because my daughter said so.
Thank you so much.
Madam, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And one more thing. Being honest and truthful is another reason I'm going to forgive you because my husband already said so. I am giving you second chance. Do not waste it.
I will not waste it. I will not waste it. I will not try it again. I will not do it. Thank you.
Babe, I went to Annabelle's teacher to find out why she failed. And it happens that what the teacher and the school has been teaching is different from what that bloody rapist has been teaching her. Oh God. I can't even believe I wasted my time. I wasted my daughter's time employing a fake teacher for her. Well, as it stands now, that means I have to be the one teaching her everything. Babe, please, I don't have time or the strength of your business proposal or your business discussion. I don't have time for such discussions right now. And as it stands, babe, please, I need to make something for my daughter. I need to be in the kitchen, okay? Maybe some other, we'll talk later. Bye. Love you too.
You need to be making
making decisions for him. But I don't know anything about his business.
I'm not talking of making final decision, but at least assist him in thinking through a decision. Men need a wife they can share their feelings and challenges with.
Like I said, Nkechi, I don't know anything about my husband's business.
Then you learn it, Nancy. This is 21st century, and you need to upgrade yourself so as to be a problem solver to your husband. Make him seek your wise counsel in whatever decision he's about to take.
Are you the one saying this? Have you forgotten that I have my boutique? My boutique takes most of my time and I don't have time for all this.
Your husband's business is the major provider of your financial needs, and you will not see the business fall, which makes it paramount for you to learn about the business and become a think tank to your husband.
Okay.
Ma, you called?
Yes. I'm not feeling too well. Please, can you just help me make something for my daughter? She'll soon be back from school and I can't do anything for now.
Okay, Ma, I'm so sorry. But can you tell me what is wrong? I can easily rush to the chemist and get you drugs.
It's just my head, oh, my head. I'm having serious headache, but don't worry, I've taken painkiller. I'll be fine. Just help me make food for my daughter, okay?
Okay, Okay, Ma. Please, what meal do you want me to prepare for her?
Anything at all, anything. Just fix something. Fix something.
Mom.
Yeah? Are you done eating?
Yes, and the food was very delicious. That Aunt Shirley knows how to cook.
Really? That's good.
Mom, your doll. Are you okay?
I'm not fine at all. I'm not too strong.
Sorry about that. What can I do to help?
Nothing, my angel. I'm going to stay here and wait for your dad to return, okay? Just come inside. Come and join me.
Is it okay? I know the medicine you took, you'll be fine.
Thank you. My love, I'm so sorry I couldn't make dinner. Tired.
But you already did.
I did not. I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Oh, really? Then who did?
Maybe Zamara, the girl at the gate.
Oh, really? The food is really nice. You okay?
My head.
Sorry, baby.
So serious. You know, when Jake was even saying it, I thought he was joking.
Hi! Wonder shall never end.
I'm so surprised.
Jeez. Baby, evil people are everywhere.
Everywhere. We need to be very careful. So many bad people.
Hi. But what if he had succeeded in raping them both? What would have happened?
You see now, baby. I'm just glad that none of this happened, eh?
Oh, protect myself, protect my husband, protect my baby. No evil shall come upon us in the mighty name of Jesus.
Hey, babe. Only a while now. Take it easy. Eh? Nothing will happen to us.
Baby, we have to be prayerful.
I know, my love.
We have to be prayerful.
Nothing will happen to you and my baby boy.
My baby girl.
You will.
Ma, interested.
Yes, sis.
Really? Amara. Thank you so much. You're just a lifesaver. Thank you. Pepper
Ma,
soup.
it's fine. And Ma, I have prepared down the food and Abel will eat when she returns from school.
Really? You did?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. That's so nice of you. Thank you.
Mama.
Sir?
What do you think about being the cook in this house? Of course, you're going to be paid for it. Handling the kitchen activities. What do you think, babe?
Sir,
Please. Mama, please don't say no. As you can see, I'm not strong at all, so you have to help me. I beg you. Okay?
Okay. Yes. Anything for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Why you dey smile? No smile, you see smile for my face.
What's happening now?
I no dey comfortable with that job offer.
Brother, why? Oh, because you know say I go to earn more than you.
No now, I no fit jealous you now, you are my sister. See wetin I dey try mean be say my oga don live with woman for this house before as a maid and the story no end well.
What's happening?
That lady tried to snatch my oga from his wife. Yes. Na only God save this couple. If not, that lady for don't succeed. I swear to God. Na him make I for prefer that security work than that one where they give you. I know they comfortable.
Relax, before you insult me. So you think see I go do like that maid? You know I cannot do anything like that. I'm nothing like that. So don't worry. You don't have to stress yourself.
I know. You are my sister. You cannot do a thing like that. But this one look like temptation. Even the Bible says, lead us not into temptation and deliver us from the evil. Psalms chapter 1 verse 1.
Nothing will happen. I'm not like that. I will not snatch madam. Why are you drinking your tea without your bread?
My mom said you're the new maid. I guess I'll say more of you in the house now.
Of course.
I heard you're a good cook. Will you teach me how to cook?
Yes, I will, but you have to get the approval of your parents.
My mom would object to that, but my dad...
You also need his approval.
Are you sure he will accept?
That I don't know, but one thing I know is that your father is a good and a nice man. If you talk to him, he's definitely going to accept. Why don't you just take your tea before it gets cold?
Good morning, Amara. How are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
Have you eaten?
No yet, Mom.
What do you mean, not yet?
Ma actually wants to be done with all my house chores before I eat.
Can you please stop that? It's past 11. You've not eaten anything and you're telling me you want to be done with your house chores? Please go and eat.
Alright, Ma. Once I'm done with the living room, I'll eat.
Fine. Living room, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you're working hard and I'm also happy you took the job.
There's no problem. Thank you for choosing me. Ma, how's your health?
I'm getting better.
Okay.
Amara, what is it? Why is my husband shouting?
He asked me to leave while I was cleaning his room.
You should leave. What did you do?
I did not do anything.
Oh, it's okay. I'll handle it.
I'm sorry for the embarrassment. I feel the pains. You see why I've been telling you I don't like that work offer.
The problem is, the man is thinking I might turn out to be like his former maid. You needed to see the anger in his eyes immediately I walked into his room. Hey! I will not go back there again. I cannot go to that room again.
I love that decision we just make right now. Thank you very much. Hey, see, you have to be very careful with these people. Eh? Avoid their room. Let the wife do the work. She understand. But I wonder why they don't want another person to do this work. They still want you to do the maid work. It's better to make them employ man. Make man come do this maid work.
Oh, I know what I could do. I could just do the work for just 6 months. I'll work for only 6 months. Then all my savings, I'll use that to start another work or find something else to do.
Oh my God. I love this decision. God bless you. Hey, I'm so proud of you. So even if your money is not complete, I'll add money for you. I have savings. Hey.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, Annabelle. Oh, I can see you're busy.
Yes, I can't seem to solve my assignment.
Your assignments. Why? I'm sure you were taught in class.
I wasn't paying full attention.
Why weren't you paying full attention in class?
I was worried I'm going to fail my exams.
What? Your exams, have you written them?
No.
So why are you worried about an exam you've not even written?
Because I've been failing.
Hey, stop it. Listen, you're smart and intelligent. All you have to do is believe in yourself.
That's the issue. Everyone thinks I'm intelligent and smart, but I'm not. I can't even pass my exams.
That's because you've not believed in yourself. You have failed to believe in yourself. If you don't, you won't be able to do anything. Once you put your mind to it and believe in yourself, you will do it. Okay? I'm going to explain the work for you. Please pay attention. Let's say the subjects, marketing. Okay, yes. The topic here is products. What is a product? What is this now? This is not what I taught you. You failed everything. Why didn't you write what I taught you?
I'm sorry.
What happened?
I just didn't trust you enough.
How? I don't understand.
Because many people have written my homework for me and they all failed me. Even my dad that seems to know everything, he just doesn't have my time. I'm just so disappointed in myself.
It's okay. You just have to take things easy with yourself. What I want you to know is I am here for you no matter what. And I will not want you to fail your academics. I will not teach you what I don't know. All you have to do is just trust me, okay? Huh? So let's go to something else.
Hi, baby. How are you? You're so excited today. What happened?
Oh, for the first time, I passed my homework. I passed all of it.
Are you Wow! Are you serious? And I was even saying I didn't help you with your homework yesterday.
Well, I guess I would have failed if you had assisted me.
Did you just insult your mother?
No.
So tell me, what's the miracle? Or should I say that you're now catching up?
Mom, it was Auntie Amara. She helped me with the assignment.
Auntie Amara?
Yes.
Okay, I should thank her, right?
Yes, Mom, she's good.
Okay, fine. I will do just that. So, okay, go up. So you freshen up, okay? Your food is ready.
I can't believe I passed my homework.
It's crazy. I don't know why it's just me making decisions for the company. No help, nothing, just me.
Oh, but Jake, I don't get it. What is your secretary and your business advisor doing about this? Man, you can't be doing this alone. This is when you need them most. In scenarios like this.
That's what I have to do. I've never been so disappointed. Yeah, we need to sit together like, of course, a family and so whatever we have at hand, but it's just not, my brother, you will understand. I understand. It is what it is.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll just find a way to figure things out, okay?
Yeah.
My dear Annabelle, all you have to do is to start trusting and believing yourself. And I want you to also start knowing that no one can do it better than you.
I'm scared.
You don't have to be scared. I'm here for you. Solve the questions. Anyone you didn't get right, I'll correct you. Here. Solve this.
She's intelligent. This girl is intelligent, yo.
Hi, baby. You're welcome, my angel. How are you?
I'm fine. When I passed on my homework without any assistance today.
Are you kidding me?
Yes. And Samira taught me how to solve all of them without any assistance.
Wow. Are you see? Oh, congrats. Are you kidding me? I'm so happy for you, my darling. You did this yourself?
Yes.
Jeez. I can't just believe it. I can't believe it. Like, Amara helped you? I wonder how she did the magic. But you've really improved in your academics and I'm so happy for you. Congratulations! My baby, I'm so happy! I'm so happy. So tell me, what will you eat? And before then, I'll make fruit juice for you. How about that?
Yeah!
Amara, my daughter has been telling me the miracle you've been doing in her life. And I can see that too. Thank you so much.
Ma, it's fine. I'm just happy she's succeeding.
Well, I almost gave up on her. But I thank God you came around.
Give up on her, Ki. Ma, you don't have to be. Right from time, I've always known that your child is a brilliant and intelligent child. And I'm sure that one day, she will make you and her father proud.
Amen. Oh, thank you so much. I promise I'm going to reward you for this.
You don't have to be. Don't forget, I am a teacher by profession, so it's not a...
Yeah, you're right. I remember.
So, which is why you're going to be tutoring my daughter henceforth. So I'm having you hired as a private teacher, and I'm going to pay you for that.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. It's a way of supporting you, okay? I know there are jobs in this country are quite hard to get, okay? But I'm going to make sure that you receive a good pay. A pay that will not be compared to the normal school teachers out there, okay?
Hey.
So, look, what I want is to make sure that my daughter improves. You're already doing a good job so far. So I want you to intensify it. That's the reason for this.
I will not disappoint you, sir.
Alright, we'll see to that.
Dad, thanks for what you just did now. I love you.
I love you, so can't be anything for you, my baby.
That's okay. Just go in there, fix something for us to eat, okay?
So you really like her.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
What? Amara has upgraded from being a security officer to a home teacher. Hey! Awamo. She's teaching the child. Okay, for no. Hey, go na adore my son. Amara should have been a graduate by now. At least if not for anything, should have been in the university. No money. Oh. Why won't she teach the child more than the mother? Amaka is the big man. Some people can beat you. Oh, just time and life happened to the person and the person improved. I trust my child. Oh. Proud brother moment, okay? I understand, my son, I understand. Tell her to keep it up. She should keep making us proud. You don't change it. Yes, my son. No problem, I will call her, oh? At least let me congratulate her, no? Oh, one bye-bye, oh? Bye-bye. Oh. Hey! I'm going for go. Small. Before you know it now, she'll be a professional teacher.
She's intelligent. This girl is intelligent, yo. The joy of her mama. You are intelligent, you know, girl. Special girl. Amaka is intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Joy, yo. Gallant soldier. When I dey shake at all. She dey intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I dey shake at all. Mwakaraka. Strong and mighty.
Careful, sir.
Gallant soldier. When I dey shake at all. She not dey shake at all. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I dey shake at all.
So, this is where we'll be having our tutorials.
I don't understand. In the kitchen?
Yes. You know, there was a day you told me you want to learn how to cook. And that is a good idea. It's not every time we learn how to solve maths and studying English. You need to do something different. And a lady cannot become a woman if she does not know how to cook. So today, I'll be teaching you how to cook.
Really?
Yes.
I would most love it.
I know you will. But wait, we'll have to start with the dishes. You will learn how to wash. I'll teach you how to wash first. So come, let's go. Yeah. Start. This is a soup. Take it first. Like this. See, the plate is neat now. Are you serious? See how neat it is? Then you drop it. Now wash that one.
Wait. Seriously, you made this?
Yes, Dad.
Don't joke. Tell Daddy the truth. Who made this?
She's not joking. She made it herself. I was there when she was making it. If not, I wouldn't have believed it.
You made these yummy noodles? Oh, wow. So tell me, who taught you? Is it Mom?
No. Auntie Emma taught me how to cook.
Yes, here am I thinking that my baby is still small to enter the kitchen and cook. But no, Amara proved me wrong.
Come here. This is proud daddy moment. Wow. Okay, so it's the next thing is soup. Did you learn soup? How to make soup?
Not in my kitchen.
No, she hasn't really made soup.
You don't collect salary.
Salary? It's not my salary. Oga give me this money to appreciate and thank me for teaching his daughter how to cook.
Yummy! Amara, wait first. You go teach Oga Pikin how to cook.
Is it a bad thing?
It's a bad thing, no? It's a bad thing because you won't sack yourself. Yes.
How?
Now let me explain it in detail. If you keep on teaching Oga Pikin how to cook now, and the girl can't sabi cook, them go see you as useless person now.
No now. So because of that, now she not teach that small girl that will soon grow up to become a woman how to cook. No, it's unfair.
Yes, it's unfair, but at this point it is fair. You don't have to teach her. So let me tell you something. They will sack you. And by the time they sack you, your eye go clear. Because they will start using their pikin to cook for free.
Let them sack me now, but it will not stop me from teaching that small girl how to cook. They want to sack me, they should sack me, but I have to teach that girl how to cook. It's not a bad thing.
I won't beg you something. Hide this money. No show your madam before you put yourself for trouble.
I don't show madam already. And she did not see any negative thing. She did not see any bad thing. You see, you're the one that just overthinking this thing. There's nothing there, please.
Wait first. You don't show madam this money?
Mm-hmm.
And she not talk anything?
At all, she not talk anything.
Amara, that silence mean everything.
Jake, my guy. What is happening now? You've been so happy recently.
My guy, happiness is free now. Yeah, but you're right. You're right. You're right.
So how far the business proposal now?
My guy, this is not business proposal. I'm just happy that part of my life worry has been solved. You know, the thing is, my daughter has not been doing well in academics. You know, she's not really been. But Amara came into our lives and changed everything. You know, which I'm happy.
I don't understand, Jake. Who's Amara, please?
Amara is our new housemaid. You know, just employed. You know, a couple of not quite long.
You mean new housemate? I never knew you had an housemate.
Yeah, like I said, we just not quite long we employed her. She's very, very intelligent, my brother. Very, very intelligent. She has done a lot this few weeks. She has transformed my daughter to something else. You will not believe it.
Well, you know, this is strange, Jake. You know, normally things like this you always tell me. So how come I don't know you have a housemate now?
Well, it just happened like that. Yeah.
Okay, Jake, you know I don't trust you, Sha. I hope this won't bring problem between you and your wife.
Nah, my wife is fully aware of everything. She is fully aware. She's very, very happy that the girl is doing a lot for our daughter. Even as parents, we are excited and we are happy. My wife, come on, but guy, they say you don't trust me. I can't cheat on my wife now. Now you talk like this.
I just talk my own now because all of a sudden you don't get housemates. Like, Jake, I don't talk my own, no. No do nonsense, so.
I mean, they disappointed, say you think negative. You keep doing this.
Oh my goodness, your hair is so beautiful.
Thank you.
So you went to buy that hair?
Oh yeah, I
Without
had
letting
to.
me know.
I'm sorry.
That's not fair.
Alright, I'll get one for you.
Excuse me, I know you will not. You're very stingy. You're a stingy friend.
I'll definitely get one for you.
Is that a promise?
I promise.
Okay, okay. Oh, thank you, Amara. Thank you so much.
That's the girl I was telling you about. She's young and sexy.
Mm-hmm.
And you didn't see anything wrong with that. Remember Abigail's matter?
What are you talking about, Nkechi? Please, don't compare this girl with Abigail. She's an innocent girl, for crying out loud. You see this particular one, she's a good cook, very respectful, above all, very intelligent. You need to see the way she transformed my daughter's life.
Nancy.
Yes.
Can you hear yourself? As in, really? Good. These praises you're showering for who? A mere housemaid? Just know what you're doing. Because your husband will soon have interest in her.
Kechi, please, I don't need to reply that. Just eat. Okay?
Nancy, you're playing with your marriage. You're playing with your destiny.
Can you please stop? What did you call it? My marriage. I'm in charge. So please eat your fruit.
Well, if you say so.
I said so, baby girl.
Is that right? So what about Annabelle?
Oh, she's in school.
Ah, okay.
Baby, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Just leave me alone.
You know I cannot leave you. It's not possible. I'm sorry.
Jack, leave me alone now. Leave me. Ah.
It's hard to leave you now.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
goodness.
Please. Please. I'm sorry.
What is wrong with you? Of late, you've been finding unnecessary faults around me, and I don't like it. Just let me be.
It's not possible. I can't let you be. I'm sorry. It will never happen again, I promise. Please.
Okay. I've heard you. I've heard you. Can you please let me be?
I can't let you be, baby. You know it's been long we made love.
Uh-huh.
Haven't you missed me?
The thing is that I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Just.
Baby, it's been long we made love. Can you say?
Oh, I am not in the mood now.
But I'm in the mood. I've missed you. I've missed us.
Huh?
Please, just sleep. I am not in the mood. Let me sleep. Please. Please. Let me sleep. Ah!
Hi. How can you say you're not in the mood? See what you're doing. See what, see, just see. Just see. Eh?
I guess that's all for the night. I need to retire to my bed. Don't forget, always read your Bible before you go to bed. And I'll be bringing out chapters for you to read every night, okay?
Okay, Aunt.
Good night.
Why not spend the night with me? I could use your company.
My company? No, I'm going to distract you. I want you to sleep on time, okay? Have relax. I also want you to read this Bible again this night.
Then we can read together.
No. You know what? No need. You don't need to read the Bible again. I've read it for you. So, just go and sleep so you can wake up on time. Don't forget tomorrow is school, okay? Maybe during the weekends I can sleep in your room. But today, you need to sleep alone so you can wake up on time tomorrow. Good night.
I think we just need to get someone else because this is not the right logo now. I explained, something that carries weight. Like when you see it looks classic. These ones are not a good logo for the company at all. Come on, man. I'm surprised you're saying this. You know that color is not workable. It doesn't represent the brand. It doesn't represent the company's legacy. We need something more projecting. So those colors are just not working. Okay, let's keep searching. Hopefully we'll just get something right. We can't obviously send it without the company's logo. We need to have all of that outlined and sorted before we can send our proposal. All right, that's fine. That's fine. Let's just keep our fingers crossed, okay? So I'll forward you everything you need about the file. In case you have any questions, just call me. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay then. All right. Okay, bye.
Sir. Yeah. Hi. Sir, I'm sorry for encroaching into your privacy, but I overheard you talking about the color you use for your business logo.
Yeah? Do you have a problem with that?
No. But why not try black and gold?
Why do you think I should try black and gold?
Because those are the iconic colors used for luxury brands. Black represents power, elegance, and mystery, while gold represents wealth, prestige, and luxury.
That's impressive. Nice. That was nice. Really nice.
Yeah.
How come I haven't thought of that? Of course you're correct. Black represents... Oh my God.
Babe, you look so happy. What's going on?
Are you okay?
I should be asking you if you're okay because you look happy.
Yeah, so I'm happy, babe. You will not believe my long time puzzle has been solved.
What puzzle are you talking about?
What puzzle? I told you now that this project I'm meant to finalize, but I'm finding it difficult to finalize it. You will not believe who helped me.
Oh, who?
Amara. Amara helped me solve the puzzle.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Amara.
Amara. Unbelievable, right? Amara helped me.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
I swear down, don't look down on anybody.
Of course.
Yeah. She helped me with the colors, like, you know, the color selection on the...
She's intelligent. This girl is intelligent, yo. The joy of her mama. You are intelligent, you know, girl. Special girl. Amaka is intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Joy, yo. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She day intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. Wakaraka. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She not the shake at all. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can
Jay,
shake at all.
what's going on now? I can't even recognize you anymore, my guy. The way you make intelligent decisions now, it's so amazing.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah, there is something you're not telling me, oh.
My cufflinks, I took off now.
Oh.
It's my shirt cufflinks.
Are you sure you didn't fall?
Oh, my brother, is all thanks to my new housemaid. Yeah.
Wait, your new housemate? Are you trying to tell me she's the one behind your decision makings lately and all?
My dear, that girl has been doing a whole lot. I won't lie, she's doing a whole lot. She has changed my life so much that, you know, sometimes I wonder what I would have done without her. Not like really like that, but you know.
Jake.
No, don't think. Don't even think negative. It's just on a professional level. Professionalism. She's just, you know, just like that.
Remember, you're talking to Sam. I'm your guy.
Of course, now that's the reason you have to believe me. I did tell you as it be. No. Don't think like that. So it's all positive vibes and nothing else.
Well, no problem if you say so. But remember, don't get too excited, though.
Nah, not at all. What is going on? This is all you to sure you can?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you can?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So just let me know how everything goes.
Okay. Take care, sir.
Alright.
Amara. What? Brother? Papa? What's up?
Amara,
Huh?
when do you start to dey play with fire?
Fire?
Yes.
You see me play with any fire?
Wait, no, God been they show you. Do you know that in wife been they watch you and I could see the anger in her face?
But you were just teaching me how to write and, you know...
I don't care about the explanation, Amara. I don't care about the explanation. This is not the rightful place for God to show you that kind of thing. You understand? Waiting I won't make you know be say you they play with fire. Amara, you better stop.
Brother, it's okay. Why you getting angry for no reason? Eh? Please, I beg.
I know say you could. I'm here, you know. Yahweh. What? This girl they play with fire.
Come here. Ma? I said, come here.
Okay. Ma?
Amara, what were you discussing with my husband?
No, nothing, Zoga. He gave me this file. He said I should drop into the document side.
And what? Listen to me. Let this be the very first and last time I will see you in a private conversation with my husband. Are we clear?
Yes, ma.
Get out. Out of my sight!
She said you took the file from her.
Yeah, I did.
So the auditing she's meant to finish up, did you do it?
I read nothing.
Why? So why did you take it from her when you know you're not gonna do it?
I took it from her because she is getting close to you for my liking. What is wrong with you? These days, the only thing you do in this house is Amara this, Amara that, Amara helps me with this, Amara helps me with that. Nothing else! What is going on, you?
Wait. I cannot believe that you're actually saying this to me.
Yes, of course. I am saying this to you, Jack. What is wrong with you? You hardly do anything in this house. The only thing you do is Amara. You don't have my time. You don't have my daughter's time. What is really going on? Even for us to have sex as husband and wife, it is a problem. Does it mean you're having it with her? Yes, since you're not getting it from me, then you're getting it from her.
Oh no, I can't stand here and listen to this bull crap. For Christ's sake, this is the most stupid thing I've ever heard.
Go on.
Since I got married to you.
Go on!
Thank you.
That is the only thing you know how to do. Insult me. Insult me very well. I know your problem. You're sleeping with that girl, but listen to me. My body is important. I don't want to contact any STD because I am going to kill you. Kechi, you're right. You're right. My husband is cheating on me. He cheated on me.
I knew it. I knew it. I told you, didn't I? But you wouldn't listen.
How will you blame me? How will you blame me? She deceived me with her innocence, not knowing deep down she's just like Abigail.
So you should know what to do, right?
I don't know what to do. That's why I called you. As it stands now, my whole heart is shattered. I am devastated. I don't even know what to do. My husband barely touched me. He barely touched me. Yes. All I want is suggestion. Please, can you bring up something? Can you suggest anything at all? I need to save my husband. I need to save my home.
We'll find out the way, okay? We'll try. We'll look for something, anything. I'm confused.
You don't have to be. You don't have to be, please.
What about the shoe?
Black.
Okay, black and pink, okay?
Ma, you sent for me.
I want you to go in there, pack your things, and leave my house immediately. Mom, stay out of this. I'm not talking to you. Get in there, pack your things, and move.
Mama, I'm sorry, I'm confused. What have I done?
You're sorry, you're confused. You're asking me questions. I said, leave my house this minute.
Ma, please, I beg you, don't chase me. I don't have anywhere to go to. I beg you, please don't chase me out.
Are you mad?
Ma?
Is it that you can hear me? Is it that you cannot hear me? I am talking to you and you're not. I said, get out! Get out! Out of my house! Idiots!
Mom, this is unfair. I'm not happy with you.
Rubbish! You're asking me what you have done. I've not done anything. I don't understand. In my own house, you're stupid. Move before I meet you in there.
Hi, Amara. Amara, you don't see wetin you don't put yourself into. Amara, I don't tell you, say, slow down in this house, you no gree. Amara, slow down, say you go put yourself for trouble, you no gree. Amara, tell you, say, I sabi who my madam is. I sabi who that woman be. Amara, you no gree. Now you've seen where you've landed yourself.
But tell me, what did I do? I did not do anything. I don't know why she has decided to punish me this way. I've done nothing. I didn't do anything. I did not do anything.
I know say you no do anything. That bad ache is not in our blood. But that going closer is the thing that is making her to suspect you. But it's okay.
No, it's not okay. You don't understand. It's not okay. Tell me, where am I going to go to now? What am I going to do? I don't know why my life has become so unfortunate and so unlucky. Just when I thought I've gotten a decent job, now this happened.
Hi. Okay. I'm sorry. I am hurt too because you are my sister. I am hurt because this is happening to my sister. But we don't have any other choice. You have to start going
to where? If you think I should go back to that village, it will not work. I cannot go back to that village. I cannot go back. What am I going to tell Mama? She would not believe that this is not my fault. She would think I I have betrayed her. She would think, I don't know.
Calm down. See, even if you don't, where will you go to now? No, now you have to go back. When you go, you give her phone and explain to her that it's not your fault. Because you cannot stay here and you cannot stay for straight.
Mama, we think I have disappointed her. She will not believe. Hi.
What am I going to do now?
I don't know. Help me now. Help me. I don't know.
Calm down. Calm down first.
I sent her away.
You sent her away? You sent an innocent girl away for doing nothing?
Which innocent girl are you talking about? No, which innocent girl are you talking about? Yes, I sent her away because I don't want what happened with Abigail to repeat itself again in my house.
Are you being serious right now? Since when did you start being stupid? You sent her away because of Abigail? Do you listen to yourself? Are you not sounding so dumb now?
Oh, really?
Oh, yes!
No problem. You can call me whatsoever you like. But the thing is that she has gone back to her village. Let us go there and start carrying her weapon up and down. Not in my house. She will not seduce my husband in my own house. That will not happen.
For you to condescend me so low because of Abigail? Because you think that I would cheat on you with her?
Don't change
you
the
disappoint
topic.
me.
Don't change the topic. I am not talking about Abigail. I'm talking about that little girl because I see the way she's
You sent her away because of Abigail?
Yes, not because of Abigail. I see the way she's looking at you. Every time she's looking at you. Before you know it, she will start touching you. You will start doing all manner of nonsense in my house. Not under my roof. She has to leave. She has gone back to that village and that's fine now. Thank you. Thank you. Rubbish. Can you imagine? In my own house. That little thing, never, it will not happen.
You're not dressed for school?
Good morning, Dad. I'm not going to school.
Why?
Mom sent Auntie Amara away, and I don't know why she did that. But I decided I'm not going to school.
Well, Mom's decision is not really what I want either. But then, she's your mom. We really don't have to contest that. She has her reasons. Okay, but I'll look for a way to talk to her to see if she can change her mind. Okay?
Why not? That lady changed my life positively. She even helped you in your business. I don't know why Mom will hate her for being a nice person.
Well, your mom knows better. You never can tell. I will try to speak to her to know her reason. And I'll also try to speak to her to see if we can bring her back. Okay? I'm not disputing the fact that, yeah, she's actually very supportive. But then, she's your mom. So, let's see what will happen after speaking to her, okay?
I don't want to go to school.
No, you have to go to school. Don't you want to make Daddy happy? Let's go. Come.
For the past 13 years, I've been married to Jack. I have never seen him behave like this towards me. Yes, I know we do have our differences, but we do sort it out. But this particular one is different.
You know why? Because he's in love with her. I mean, you're lucky to have sent her away when you did. Otherwise, your home would have been wrecked by now.
My daughter even resets me over him. My daughter hardly talks to me. My daughter don't eat except she sees my husband. And even my husband don't eat anything I cook.
That girl caused more damage than I thought. She almost took away your man. Well, you have to be patient with your man. So to recover from whatever spell that girl casted on him.
Spell?
Yes.
Do you think she casted a spell on my husband?
I think so.
Are you sure it's not my fault? I haven't been of help to my husband or my daughter. Or maybe I deserve what happened because I've not been fit and intelligent.
Nancy, what are you saying? You have been living peacefully with your husband before this girl came into your lives. So this is not your fault. Don't blame it on yourself. Don't. You just have to give your daughter, your husband time to get over her and heal from all this. I promise they will come around.
Are you sure?
Yes, I promise.
I just miss my home.
I know, I'm sorry.
I miss my home.
It's okay. They will come around. Stop crying. Everything will be fine, okay? That's right.
Whoa! Are you for real? First position? I can't believe this. Mathematics, excellent. English, excellent. Creative arts, excellent. Are you sure this is your result?
Oh my goodness, come here. I'm so happy for you, my daughter. I'm so proud of you. Like, this is good. I can't believe this. Like, for real? Oh, come here. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you, my daughter. Like, you cleared all your papers. This is good. This is good. Come here. I'm so happy for you.
All thanks to Auntie Amara, who has been there preparing me for this examination until disappointedly sent her away.
Where are you going to?
I'm leaving.
You're leaving? How come I'm just hearing about it? Where are you going to?
Yes, I'm leaving to go save my business since that is all I've got now.
What do you mean that's all you've got now? So you mean you don't have me?
No, I've never ever had you. It's been you alone. Just you doing your stuff all the time. You don't care about me. And let's not act like you do, because you know I'm saying the truth.
Did you just say that to me?
Oh yes, that is true. That is true. Let's call a spade a spade. That is what you've been doing. You've never cared about me. You've been selfish. The only girl that helps me out during difficulty, you've chased her away. You've chased her away for doing nothing. Since you married me, what have you been doing? You've only cared about yourself and yourself only. So please, you better just go out there and face the business, because once that flops, then I'm finished.
I just can't believe you just said this to me.
Why are you acting like... Okay, as a couple, when last did we make love? Let me start from there. When last did you assist me in anything I'm passing through, like in my job? Have you even cared to know what's going on with me? Did you even care to know? Do you even care to know what is going on with me? You don't care. You only care about yourself. When last did we make love as a couple? Has that ever happened? Or you tell me you're tired, you're this, you're that. Even when you manage, after several weeks that you manage to say, okay, let's do it, it's usually boring. Boring. Boring.
Is that why you cheated on me? Is that?
Well. Coming to the part of cheating. God knows it wasn't my intention. But if I was getting everything I'm supposed to get from my wife, maybe I wouldn't have fallen for that. I wouldn't. But no, I don't. I'm kidding. I'm more like a single man when I have a wife. Yeah. So somehow, yeah, that led to it. Have you thought about how you treat me? Have you thought about it? Since we want to say the truth, we want to be open. Let's be open and talk about it. If you play your roles, your responsibility as a wife to your husband, do you do it? Do you do it? You don't. You don't do it. You don't even go to the kitchen sometimes to even assist. You leave everything for the maid to do.
Mercy.
Oga.
Open the gate.
Okay, okay.
She's intelligent. This girl is intelligent, yo. The joy of her mama. You are intelligent, you know, girl. Special girl. Amaka is intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Joy, yo. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She dey intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. Mwakalaka. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She not the shake at all. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. Vigilante, vigilante, for better security. Amaka wa bodo sigo, akwado la fama. Any yawa for the road. She must arrest them. Any curriculum movement, yo. She must arrest them. She not dey take for life, chacha. She's ready for any crime at all. Amaka bodo. Bad people know they rest. Evil people know they tire. Every day na 40. One day na for the honor. These people know they tire at all. They make use of a simple negodi. She's intelligent, strong and mighty. Gallant soldier, when I can shake at all. She dey intelligent, strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. Makalaka, strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She not the shake at all. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all.
The man left the house. But he came to look for you. So how is the wife taking it? Crying does not kill, you know, but she should have tried. How is everything going in the house? I hope people are eating. Tell her she shouldn't worry, her husband will come back. Ofurifu. Amen. How are you? How are you doing? Anyasao. You have to be careful. Before you hear the road, I'll go for Afo. So how is the baby? How is she coping? Please look out for her, oh? Take care of her. I know. Oh, I will call you again to know how things are. Bye-bye.
Mom, where is Dad? Where is he?
Dad. Dad is gone.
I don't understand.
Dad left us.
You made him leave, Mom.
No, that's not true.
Of course. Now we are all alone. I did my dad back.
I did not.
Jake, what did you just do?
I just blocked her.
Blocked who? Nancy? Your wife?
That's it, son. I can't. I won't do this. Please. Please, just let me be, okay? I'm seriously going through a lot right now. This is the least of what I want to talk about, please.
Oh, come on, Jake. I know you're angry. Oh, you know she has a daughter for you. And you are going too extreme with your actions. Just calm down, my brother. Your daughter, I'm sure she'll be worried about you now.
Please. Nancy hurt me. What about my daughter? Nancy sent away the girl that has been helpful to me, my job, and my family. Of course, our daughter. And she sent her away because she's been insecure. I can't live with someone that doesn't trust me. I can't live with an insecure woman because you're supposed to trust me. I trust her. So what is hard for her to do the same?
I understand you, bro.
No, you don't understand. You don't understand.
But I'm just concerned about that little girl, bro. I'm just concerned about her.
She'll be fine.
For the sake of your daughter, we need to sort this out amicably.
My daughter will be fine.
Jake, you need to stop this. Your daughter will be wondering where you are at the moment.
Oh, stop this thing now. I came here to chill and not this. Please. If you want me to leave, I'll leave.
Well, you know I'm your friend, okay? And I want the best.
You know what? Let me just go, okay? We'll see later.
Okay, Jake, just relax now.
Bassy, please come.
Madam, I'm here.
Bassy, did he tell you where he was going to?
No, madam. He did not tell me anything. No. He just come on like that. I even approached him and said, "Sir, where are you going to?" He no answer me. Madam, please, what is going on?
Bassy, what about your sister? Has she reached out to you?
Madam, the last time when me and him talk for phone, she say she there for street, say she dey find new work. I say okay. I can't call him again to find out if she don't see the new work. But her number come there off. Madam, I know say this her going don't make your husband vex well. But at this point, madam, no vex. No be say I won't advise you. But my little opinion is that as a wife, you are the one that is going to handle the house now. Please call the house to order. Gather the family, mold it again, and make it lovely the way it used to be. And I am very, very sorry that because of my sister, this thing happened. It peels my heart.
You don't have to be sorry. It's my fault. It's not your fault. Okay?
It's my fault too because now me bring my sister. I'm sorry. Making me emotional. I'm sorry. Just go back to your post. Okay. I'm sorry, ma.
Hey, Oga. Look the phone well now. Now better phone. Now just last week I started to use them.
I think concern me as long as it don't enter your hand. No be your hand today. No, fairly used now. Na Belgian phone be this.
Oh yeah, give me 100,000. I beg.
How much you talk now? Make I know how much you want sell am.
100,000 I pay. Oh yeah, tell me your price. How much you want buy am?
Huh? Yeah. How they do like that? 100,000 for it for Belgian phone. Yeah.
Belgian phone no. Now just 1 week I don't use them.
You know, concern me. You know matter as long as not be your hand today. Not be your hand.
Yeah, how much you go do now?
The thing be say you follow me more go see my other first. My sure. Come first.
Where the wrong go now? Wait! Hey! Wait! Hey! Oh, no!
Yes? How did you get my number? You said what? She left the house. To where? No problem. I'll try to call her to see if she can come back to the house. No problem. Just I'm wondering how you got my number. Okay. Please be careful with her. Take it easy on her. She's just but a child. No problem. I'll try to get across to her. It's a bad draw.
One. Bye-bye. How did she get my number? Where did my daughter go now? Where? Hey!
Hi, baby. Dinner is ready.
I'm not hungry.
What do you mean you're not hungry? You have to eat something.
I said I'm not hungry. Just leave me alone. Leave me.
My love, what have I done? Why are you this upset? Why are you so angry at mommy?
I want my dad back. You made him leave. I don't want anything from you.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're calling her number is not connecting. How she's alright? Why would she leave the house? To God knows where. Ha! Do you know any of her friends? Does she have friends that come to the house? So how do people look for her and get her now? Wow! I don't want anything to happen to my child. I don't want anything to happen to my child. I don't want anything bad to happen to my child because a man I will not take it. Try and call me back. Let me know the situation of things. If it means me coming to the city to find my child myself, I will come to the city. What happened? Ha, Amara. Amara, hope nothing bad has happened to you. Please don't do this to me. Don't. Please, I'm begging you. Don't do this.
Nancy, what's wrong with Annabelle? She looks so sad and unwelcoming towards me.
She blames me for sending Amara away and my husband leaving the house.
I don't understand. Leaving the house?
That is why I called you. Jack is gone. Jack left this house with his bag.
Jack is gone? Oh my God. Has he gotten to this?
It has gotten to this, oh. It has gotten to this. My home is shattered. My daughter don't talk to me anymore and my husband gone.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Nancy. I can't believe this has gotten to this. I'm sorry. Have you tried reaching your husband on the phone?
Yes, I did. But my husband blocked me. He blocked me. He's nowhere to be found. Oh, my own husband blocked me.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Nancy. This is all my fault. I take the blame. I advised you. Probably your husband is cheating on you. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Sorry. You advised me and I took it. It was optional. I took it. And I went and confronted my husband instead of trusting him. Oh my God. I used my hand to scatter my own marriage. And now he's gone.
He's gone, no.
I'm
Nobody
so
to
sorry,
talk
Nancy.
to.
I'm sorry.
Look at my daughter, she cannot even say a word to me. She cannot even talk to me. I'm alone, no, I'm alone.
Sorry, don't say this. I'm so sorry. Let's look for some solution. Let's call his friend. Something.
Which friend? Which friend? Friend that cannot even tell me where my husband is. I am finished though. I am finished. If you need anybody to call for me. That is why I called you. You have to help me. As I am now, I don't know what to do.
I regret all my actions. I wasn't a good wife to your father, and that drove him away. It cost me my marriage. I actually was jealous that Amara took your attention and that of your father, and it made me to chase her away. I wish I know where she lives. I know where I can find her. I promise I would have brought her back to the house, but I'm sorry, I don't know how to go about it. I also wish I could turn back the hands of time. Please, just find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please don't turn your back at me now that your daddy is gone. You all have got. If you leave me, I will die. Please just give me a second chance.
It's okay, forgive me.
I promise to make things better. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for all I did. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
He's still in town. He hasn't left yet.
Do you know where he is? Please tell me. I want to see him.
He refused telling me his exact location. Maybe he thinks that I will tell you. That's the issue.
Sam, please. Please, I beg you. Please, I want to see him. I miss him so much. The daughter misses him. Just tell my husband to come back home.
Just calm down, okay? It's unfortunate what happened, but I believe that everything will be sorted out, okay? Please, stop crying.
Sam, please, you have to help me.
I promise you.
Just tell me when next you go there, you will tell him that I should go home.
I promise you. I will do my best, Nancy, okay? But I want you to stop crying first, okay?
I miss my husband.
I know. Please, just relax yourself, okay? Everything will be alright. Okay? Please. You don't need this right now, okay? Everything will be sorted out in due time. Okay? It's okay. Just relax yourself. Please.
Sir, please, can I make use of your phone?
Annabelle, what do you want to use my phone do now?
Please, can you reach out to my dad, please?
Go and meet your mother now.
He won't pick my mother's call. Maybe he will pick yours. Please, I really need to speak to him, please.
Annabelle, I don't have network.
Yes. So I just want to know if she's fine, wherever she is. God knows I have tried. I have done everything possible to make sure that, I bring her back, but it's just not working. So I just want to be sure she's okay wherever she is. But she's obviously not okay because she's no longer in position with her phone.
My God, this is really serious. I just hope she's safe because this is so troubling.
Yeah, it's been troubling. You see, I had someone that works in telecommunication to investigate about her lost phone, but it was tracked to a thief.
A thief?
The thief confessed that he snatched the phone from her. Yeah.
Wow. This is really serious, don't you think so?
I don't think so, Samuel. No. The way I feel right now, I don't know. That girl is just, I'm doing everything because she's a good soul to me. I pray she's safe. I pray she's really safe.
Yeah, I hope so too. Like seriously, because I'm just worried too about the whole situation and everything. But I'm very sure she'll be fine.
I just pray she's fine. That's just man. I just pray she's fine. Oh my God.
Oh, he's calling.
This is the third time he's calling me.
Oh, just speak now so you can know why he's calling you.
Daddy, it's me, Annabelle. Daddy, when are you coming home? I missed you, Daddy. You left without saying goodbye. I love you, Daddy. Please come home, I beg of you. Please.
I hope everything is fine. Just talk to me, Jake.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
Do you remember me?
No, I can't.
Okay, I'm Kitchenas's friend.
Oh, hi.
Please, Amara, can I have a little time to discuss something with you?
No, I'm actually in a hurry. I need to get my SIM.
Please. I wouldn't mind paying for your time and attention. Please. Okay? Okay. Let's get into the car. When my friend Nancy told me about you, I advised her to send you away. I shouldn't have, but because I thought you were a threat to her marriage. I mean, I was only trying to protect her marriage. I didn't know I misadvised her into the worst mistake of her life. I mean, by sending you away from her house. I'm sorry. It's all my fault. Please forgive me.
It's fine.
Nancy is a good woman.
Yes. She was a good woman. In fact, she is a good woman. She's a good woman. There is no way I will want to do anything to hurt her. I can't do a thing like that. She was a good woman to me.
Yes, Amara. I see it now. I see your pure heart. I mean, it's all my fault. Your absence in their life is more like causing harm than damage. Their marriage is no longer the same. Her home is wrecked. Her husband left her and their daughter. Yeah.
He left Annabelle?
Yes. For your sake, he couldn't forgive her. And he left the house. It's all my fault. None of this would have happened if I didn't advise my friend wrongly. I'm so sorry for the pain I've caused you. I mean, I'm sorry. Please, Amara, can you help my friend make things right again? Please. I mean, she's going through a lot. Things are no longer the same between she and her husband. A lot has happened ever since you left. Please, Amara. My knees are on the ground. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Please. I'm sorry. For everything.
Alona. Is it? You've gotten a job. But they were begging you here to come back. No, they said they're not counting any wrong against you. You're not coming back. Tell me, you got a job where? Are you company? Hey, you're with your stepbrother. Hey!
Onwebu Katuraka. Ha! Hey! Chimere mobiama o. When they were Lilanya. Chimere mobiama e. Hey! Chimere mobiama e. When they were Lilanya. Chimere mobiama e.
Dad,
How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for answering the call and coming back to work.
You called him?
Yes, ma'am.
I've been trying to reach you without success.
That is because I blocked you.
I noticed. That's why I used the gate man's phone to reach you.
Sorry. So sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know what came over me. Just tell me what to do. Anything at all. I promise I'm going to do it to make our marriage work. I promise I'm going to do anything at all. Please, just forgive me. I beg you.
It's alright.
Thank you. Anybody at all, even if he wants me to accept anybody, I'm going to accept anybody.
It's okay. That is gone.
Amar, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry the way I treated you. I know I was wicked. I was mean. I'm sorry. I was deceived by a friend and I started seeing you as a threat in my marriage. I'm so sorry. That was unwise. That wasn't the best decision. But like I said, it's not my fault. My friend deceived me. I'm sorry for hurting you with my words. Please just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. Please.
Amara. It's such a small world we live in. And you're a woman, okay? I believe in the future when you get married, you will understand where my wife is coming from. Alright, I just want you to take it easy. She's only being protective of her marriage.
Sir, which is why I need to leave. I don't want to come in between your happiness and your union.
Nobody's talking about you coming in between our union and happiness. I'm only trying to make you understand something. My wife is not a bad person. You've been with us. You've been with us until she started feeling the way she felt. Okay? Just understand she's not like that. She's just protecting her family, protecting her husband. Alright? So, she has apologized on behalf of her. On behalf of my family. I'm also saying, please, we are sorry. Don't take her like that. Okay? Please.
Tamara, forgive my mom. I know she hurt you, but please come back to us. I'm sorry that she hurt you.
Imaima, Edimayeneka, please forgive them. Remember the Bible says, to err is human and to forgive is divine. John 3:16.
That's not really John 3:16, but that's not why we're here. Let's just move ahead.
Okay.
Ma, I have forgiven you. But I cannot stay. Yes, I don't want to inconvenience you or anyone in this house. Just let me move on with my life and seek for job somewhere else.
Please don't do this to me. I beg you. If you leave, it's going to be hard for me. I mean, I have a lot to learn from you. My daughter has a lot to learn from you. Please, I beg you in the name of God, please don't go.
Stop crying, it's fine, I will stay. Yes, I will stay and try to help the best way I can while I'm here.
Yahweh. 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 Hey.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Yahweh.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
God, thank you. God, thank you.
She's intelligent. This girl is intelligent, yo. The joy of her mama. You are intelligent, you know, girl. Special girl. Amaka is intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Joy, yo. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She dey intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. Makaraka. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She not the shake at all. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. Vigilante, vigilante, for better security. Amaka wa kwado sigo, akwado la fama. Any yawa for the road. She must arrest them. Any girl movement yo. She must arrest them. She not dey take for life or cha. She's ready for any crime at all. Amaka kwado. Bad people know they rest. Evil people know they tire. Every day na 40. One day na for the honor. These people know they tire at all. They make use of a simple negodi. She's intelligent, strong and mighty. Gallant soldier, when I can shake at all. She dey intelligent, strong and mighty. Gallant soldier, when I can shake